could have looked at me and say you're haggling because the way you
Them a deal with the video.
They're mad.
But the Facebook can't go on. Without the Facebook.
Ragashanti, I did mix up daddy.
Check.
Hallelujah.
Check.
Ragashanti go on and on.
What's right? Them a fix the video. Crazy, I fix the video.
This, right? And you know me have to listen to your program because you talk a crocodile.
But we are juggling anyway. Alright, well, my Tambourine down. You ready for you, my Tambourine? What's right?
I need some An Blenda time.
Ragashanti life.
Hey!
I need some An Blenda time.
Big up on yourself in on a Friday, Ready up now. Ready Hey, watch it right now. Where me at, woman, them there? Bossa white girl. Yes, Prezi, you saw it on the video. Set it right, the Prezi. My lick over my free ginger tea. Ready up, hey. Prezi, turn it, look a bit. Did I cut me off right there? Turn it, look a bit. Turn it up. Yo, big up on yourself, people. Big up on yourself. Ragashanti live in on the ears right up on the big bag. Bridge 99 FM. I want to greetings and respect to the whole of Jamaica. Large up on the 701s, enough respect also to all the listeners right here in the New York tri-state area. Why them say New York tri-state area? That is according more importance to New York. If it's tri-state, it's three-state. Connecticut, New Jersey, and New York. But there's just this moniker that we always use. The New York tri-state area, thus according more importance to New York. And everybody else said, then about a big deal, Raga. They don't know say New York more known than Connecticut and New Jersey. Awa. And then the Jersey people, I'm going to say, stop it. Jersey are it. Jersey a better place than New York. And then now the Stewart people in Connecticut are going to run in and listen, tell me now, man. Big up on yourself. We just want to apologize. Look at technical problems that are going on, whatever. And Prezi got to work. But the Prezi at work tonight, really, you know, but him just had to do extra time. Amber is working here, and Amber understand me too. So, I always I say, boy, the amount of time you call Prezi name. I don't know if I'm allowed to call Amber name so much, you know. I don't know if Amber can put them mad this from me. But everything is everything, people. And of course, my day I sip the free IrieJam ginger tea. If body say, I'm me to tell you, when I forget work, watch out. Nothing like something nice and sweet to warm up your throat. Big up all of the good throat people them out there. Big up all of the people them have some good throat. Big up the good throat people. I'm gonna know yourself. If you know say your throat sell off, go and big up yourself. If you know your throat pop down and think. Some people throat not good, you know. Some people throat not good. Some people throat as you queen them choke. As you queen them choke. Them could have like cheese tricks and them choke. Cheese crunches them choke. Ginger lag and hey, you know say I mash up some people right there. So enough people don't know what is ginger lag, you know. When you use them something that you show your age, you know. When you say ginger lag, right? Navlet know them something them. Robert Blackwood know them something them. Right? Pretty Chin know what is ginger lag. Let me see who else there in the wall and thing. I'm going to tell you no ginger lag. Tina no ginger lag. Some of them other people, I don't really know them age. You know. Pretty Punchy, she don't know what ginger lag is. See it there? See it there? Just as me say it. See it there? Just as me say it. Pretty Punchy say, one name, so. One name, so. Because she don't know what is ginger lag. Right? Right? Them are just come with you. Tina just post by the people them good Facebook. This is what Tina posts. My throat is better than my juju. You know what? You know, I'm going to leave that alone, you know. I'm going to leave that alone. Them something that too heavy for my innocent ears and thing and whatever, you know. So Pilot Robinson explain it to you, you know. Millicent, whatever, boy, you don't know what is ginger lag. I see you put the LOL after it. People big up, hey, me say to that Tommy Graham birthday. Tommy also badly to that. Then she did ban. Tommy Graham, you did ban. What a shocker. Anyway, if you did really ban for you, big up yourself for your birthday. I'm say already, I'm not take it back. There's some people you just know them. Portmore people them freaky. Portmore people freaky. All who go church over there, all who look quiet and thing, all who look like them car machines, them freaky. People, Portmore people freaky. But December people, them freaky too. Okay. Marsha Ridgeline. December woman, Marsha Ridgeline. We know you freaky too. Okay. We know you freaky. But people, you know, say, me see a thing I go on from one day where me just say, you know, say, me have to say something about this. All across social media, there are all these videos out there of woman a swipe. Right? All these videos, just whole heap of videos. Me don't even look upon them, you know. Me don't even to pay them the mind right there. But all these well, me gonna lie, because sometimes if something unusual, like ridiculously unusual, me not lie, me look. But you know, them videos, them coming like blues, you know? Them coming like blues. It's like, you know, when you reach certain age and whatever, I mean, one year ago unite, you know. But my concern is this. If so many videos are put out with woman, a swipe man, it is not like, you know, it is not unreasonable to think a man have put out the video them. Right? Because most women who them video I do them something there, them not gonna put out, most women not gonna put, well, probably Kadisha from the combo crew would do it. Kadisha will put out, because you know them not take no check, right? Right? So probably Kadisha and Shanice them will do it from the combo crew, because, well, but me I say in general, you know, some woman now gonna just put out video with themselves a swipe and thing on social media. So it must mean say I'm most of man put out the video them. Yo, when I cut out that something there. Yo, President, don't cover the wall. Don't cover the wall. Let me see what. When I cut out that something there. Dirty man them out there was send out the video them with the woman them I do something or whatever. The woman them no want, most of them, make me sure say pretty much 99% of them woman they never want a video go up on social media with. Where everywhere you turn, is a video with a woman I do it. And you don't see nowhere near as much video of man a swipe woman. And it doesn't mean that it's only woman a swipe man and man a swipe woman. Because I me are the mix-up king. I me hear the something there. Man a swipe woman no more than woman a swipe man. Man a swipe woman more than woman a swipe man right now. Right? Woman can't walk on the road in peace. When a man a walk, I first thing that man a tell woman right now. Enough woman disgusted with it, them afraid for what, because as soon as them drop a road, man a come up. Man, the man and them don't even have the lyrics again. Them don't even have the local approach. Yo, some of them people, them don't even know if flirt anymore. Like flirting is like a lost art. Which is can be really fun, you know. Some good flirting experience is just absolutely wonderful. Flirting is just some. But them people know what it is, like them don't even know if flirt anymore. When the woman them a walk, I first thing the man I said to them. So the man them a swipe more than the woman them. But yet we are see whole it more video of woman a swipe on social media than the man them. which mean a dirty man them out there. Right? If a woman submit herself to you, for say, she can enjoy some intimacy with you. And yes, we appreciate some creativity and a little bit of adventure and all them something there in there. Spice it up, man. Make a little video, I'll watch back the video. Boom, second round, third round, why, right? It's all good. But when I run, guys, show on a friend them and them something they find. Then once you send it to your friend, that's it. Then it gone all about the place. A beer woman a swipe, video woman a swipe, me I say left, right, and center, left, right, and center. And no for no man who was I put out the woman them video them way and thing like that. Who know a swipe too? I wanna see now wanna for stop it. Stop it. And ladies, me know say some of the time, you know, I want to comfortable with somebody when I make them video and I do them something there. But as Bob Marley say, you know, are the people who you trust the most and the people who you care for the most, and them are going to hurt you because it's only them can hurt you. Bob Marley said that. It's people who you trust the most and the people who you care for the most. And them are going to hurt you because it's only them can hurt you. Because somebody who you don't trust and somebody who you don't care for, whatever, you not take certain steps. You do not afford them certain liberties with you because you and them don't link like that. Hence, they are strategically not in a position, well, less likely to be in a position to cause you harm. So where am I getting at with it? Ladies, the man them who not trust for video, no, because no one please them and thing and the man them get off on it. Well, you need to exercise some reconsideration this in terms of protecting on yourself. Yeah? And that might mean stop trusting enough of them man there. Even if you and them cool like that. You know, I like with enough woman. And me just tell you because I'm a good behaving boy. I am a good behaving. Talk up to my halo. Talk up to my halo over my head. Proper saint. Ragashanti a saint. That is undebatable. I don't want an argument about that. I am a saint. But anyway. What me do I go say again? You have a lot of women. All if them a send some picture to somebody who them love and care about and whatever this, them don't put them face in it. Smart. Nice. Even if them a send pictures to them gentlemen, them husband, them boyfriend, them man, you know, them must send whatever of the remainder of their anatomy, of their body, but them not put them face in it. That's good. That's smart. So ladies, don't be so trusting with them man, you know, who you're comfortable with and things, so you're cool with them. And then, you know, all these videos that come out, we do not do all them something there and things like that, you know. And men, stop it. Stop it, stop it, stop it, stop it, stop it. Now, one other thing, me see the star come out with one story. Hold on, you know. Wait there. Make I look. What? Yo, people, big up Slick White Line. In general, you know. Yo, Slick White Line. Me love that video there where you make for Ragashanti TV. It bad. Yo, Slick White Line are taking place by Storm out there, you know. I'm a bad youth, man. Big up Slick White Line. Big up Dino. Big up Kevin, too, crazy. Big up all of the comedian youth them out there where I mash up the place. Major hype. The whole work. Slick White Line, big up yourself, my general. Big up yourself. Proper respect. Proper respect. Proper respect. Wait, let me see. Jamaica star. Me I look on that picture. What? Pick up our Powell. Are you that? Gunga peas. Where do you pick some gunga peas? Keisha. Pick up our Powell. Keisha. Where you do? Me see I pick some gunga peas. No, Keisha. And when you put. No, Keisha. And when you get. Pick up our Powell. My friend Keisha, how when you get strong up, so? How when your body firm up, so, and thing and whatever? No, man, Keisha, where you eat down there, Jamaica? I must say, go and go piece them to cloud. Anyway, let me see it here now. Jamaica Star. I'm going to put in this thing here. Jamaica Star. The Star do one story. Jamaica Star. May they go school. Okay, here we go. Jamaica Star, so I can't spell. Wait now. The story about people may look for the story about the person who say sex parties are on the increase in Jamaica. Jesus, I wait the man. Boy, me I dazzle upon the Star page, because I can't even see the heading and thing. I would just a whole heap or something. What is story there? Combo Boss ventures into music. Another one that I look for. St. Elizabeth Farms tour. Robber captured. Big up Reverend Dumas, Pastor Dumas. Large up yourself. You don't know, Sir Raga rated to the max. What the story, the man? But it look like the story. I would have thought that it would have been like at the beginning or so, because given how recent the Combo Boss mix-up is, unless I'm missing it. Well, somebody sent it to me. Let me see if I can find the thing with the person who did send it to me. And thing. All right, man, go in and see if I can find fear thing what she did send to me. Because I think she did send it to me. I know she. Who did send me that something, there, man? I want to read cards. That I want to deal with, you know. Who sent it to me, man? No, it's not Dirty Tyrone. Let me see if it is. No. Lord Jesus. Somebody send me back that Star something there. Nav letter one hour and thing. Gonna send me back that thing there. It started doing a story, man. We say, sure. That's why I mean I like when I rush sometime and all these things, you know. When somebody start doing a story with somebody, one promoter over in the West. I say, sex parties, them frequent now, them not for Jamaican. And then, the comments on that was just hilarious, man. As usual, I low and laughing me depan because it's, some of the foolishness we not found, when they make enough of them pastor here Jamaica turn in a claffy, When they make it pastor, them a turn in a kono mono. And me they talk about this pan when it named the Wadia. And I see the same thing roll out and sitting, I see a whole heap of I talk about this and destruction and God a come and one bag of something and thing. Oh, well and see it yeah. Well. Okay, all right. See them send it. Yo, me have a read today, Prezi send it, Navlet send it, Robert say, hey, yeah. All right, good. I have it. Man. All right, so I go down and come. Well, basically, the story I say, promoter says freaky parties on the rise. A promoter in one of the island's western parishes said taboo parties have grown in popularity recently, and she believes society is becoming acceptable of sexual acts performed outside of the bedroom. Now, me not gonna read the whole life story, right? Me not gonna read, because of course this is related to the way it named it. So, that what is talk about 3 comments. No, man, me see something with a whole heap of comments, man, with it. Somebody, so me does I say 3. No, man, God. And the comments them want, man. Somebody send me something, man. But a whole heap of people are post up and them a say, gotta come. And this and destruction and all kind of thing. And this are signs of the time. I don't know what signs of the time mean. When I hear them say signs of the time, That's a biblical terminology, Signs of the time of the coming of the Lord. I have a whole heap of song with them. When we used to go Sunday school and youth fellowship, we used to sing this song. You did have one in a youth fellowship where go, signs of the time are everywhere, and there's a bright new feeling in the air. Lift your eyes upon the eastern skies. Lift up your hands. Redemption draw it. Not backside, and I don't remember that. Big up my mama. Used to send me out for go Sunday school and youth fellowship and all these things and whatever. So, you always talk about signs at the time, and you have these people, as soon as something happens, you don't care what happens. As soon as something, shall we say, colossal in impact or something big happen, gotta come. Signs at the time, gotta come. See, they gotta come. So woman come out now, and she said she's offering sex and blowjob combination combo for $5,000. Gotta come. See there, blowjob and sex I offer for 5,000 Jamaican. Gotta come. When I eat it. You know, I said if I want to take God for Papi, sure. No, if I want to take God for Papi, sure. And I be a God this, God that, God this, God that. And it go right back to the man who, a long time he did that telling us a Jamaican pastor preach about them something, you know. And no found never believe me, you know. And see it, you know, the internet come make on the social media come make on the know say true me at them. What the pastor then name, we can't call him name because it's public content. Somebody send me back at the thing when they do over pan Ragashanti TV, pan the Jamaican pastor them and the nonsense when them a preach about these things about death and destruction and how godly certain sex acts is. The man, me tell you, say the man burn out backshot, you know. The man say backshot is ungodly. And the man draft his scripture. Somebody send me him name. Somebody who have my number, WhatsApp me him name because only tell me him name. And whatever. And don't worry, no worry. I'll take a little break. Well, all right, I'm going to take a little break. But somebody WhatsApp me him name because them something here only need for chill. Right before I take the break and come back and before we go to the phone line. Only need for chill, people. Only free to disagree. You're free to disagree. You're free to not in or something. Me not go on a stage and go, me not going on a sex party and whatever. But I'm certainly not going to say my objection to going on a sex party is equivalent, my thinking is equivalent to that of God. Now if I want to take God for Papi, sure. And make people feel guilty when they do the something them with them man and them woman and all these things. You know how much people and think I get a little bit freaky with them husband and them wife, and when them done, them go and beg God forgiveness, and that time God don't even look upon them and think, what if we start the foolishness? All right, we're going to take a break and we'll come back. We'll soon talk about the rest of it. We're soon forward.
We don't need to brag. We don't need to boast. We just give you what you need on IrieJam.
On IrieJam Radio. IrieJam Radio. IrieJam Radio. IrieJam Radio. Number one.
Ragashanti live. Ragashanti live. Ragashanti live. Yeah, man, welcome back up in our juggling. Welcome back up in our juggling. So just before we take some cards and all these things and whatever, we just see that just because I already do this on Ragashanti TV, but this now with on IrieJam Radio now, and IrieJam Radio and the Bridge 99 FM, and this is free to hear radio. So Jamaica hear me right now directly on the Bridge 99 FM. And all I want in New York, if you not tell on the ginger race and down at Jamaica about the Bridge 99 FM, try do that right now. Try do it quick. Make them know so the Bridge 99 FM, which is, you know, part of the IrieJam family and all these things. I run Jamaica right now, and, you know, it has a series of personality, a set of personalities on it that, frankly, not only is presently unparalleled and unprecedented, it's also unprecedented. I have never seen a lineup like this in a radio station in the history of radio in Jamaica. I mean, I go back to the subject matter. People on the Bridge 99 FM, you know, when you talk about a diversity of, you know, I don't want to use stars, because me I'm not star. The other people are a star, right? the Honorable Bruce Golden, Ronnie Thwaites, Pernell Charles, Elise Kelly, DJ Delano, Rory from Stone Love, Nicky Z, Richie B, Kurt Riley, Tony Rebel, Jack Scorpio, Ragashanti. No, sir! And where Bobby Clark up to? Bobby Clark! No to BC! And the BC mean Bobby Clark. No to BC! I make you go so hard, my general. So people just make sure, New York, make sure, so I just link up on a linky them at Jamaica, make them know, say it's all about the Bridge 99 FM. Have Jamaica locked right now, they think mad. And of course, me, Miss Cherry Washbelly, Ragashanti, we're upon it Monday night, Wednesday night, and Friday night, 9 o'clock. Monday night, Wednesday night, and Friday night, 9 o'clock, in a Jamaica day, right? And of course, the Friday show is simulcast, meaning it's broadcast at the same time, simultaneously, right here in New York City. And that's why we're not hear me right now. So when me answer people, who they need to cut out this thing? As soon as you hear, I'm afraid of sex, and I'm not getting night and telling you why I'm afraid of sex. But I blame God for afraid of sex, I'm afraid of look adventurous thing, and look what I call freakiness and whatever. I want to think say that have to do with God. No. The way of God is omnipotent and magnificent and all-seeing. You believe, say, the person who, according to Uno and thing or whatever, because Uno already know it, the creator, the ultimate creator of the universe, not only earth, the universe, you think say that person going really care about a back shot or a blowjob? Like, seriously? Uno say Uno insult God. Uno say Uno disrespect God. Because I'm afraid of a little adventure, a little thing like that, I want to brainwash about sex and all them something. You don't blame God for it. How arrogant can you be? Because you dislike something, that means that God dislike it too. Oh, so your thinking is parallel to God's thinking. It's foolishness. I want to stop making preacher them chicken up, because none of them preacher I tell them I do the things them under the choir too. And enough of them, they are misguided in their vile misinterpretations. Now, again, me no care nobody want to say, big up Kadisha and Shanice and the people and them whatever. Me nah endorse nothing, but me nah judge nobody and try to tear them down in your life and all these things and whatever. 1. 2, you not gonna blame them people, People, me tell you something, and people in my age group can't tell you this. When we grew up, the freaky thing them and Ray, this was among uptown people, Now get the people that do it, but it wasn't as much. It was uptown people who do them something, All right. Let me see if I can say this. All right, yeah. When I grew up, the common thing where we grew up, we hear stories of a certain hotel on the North Coast. The hotel name starts with H. You don't know which hotel me talk, the H Hotel, right? When we grew up, some breed or something them when me all hear my classmate and a couple uptown people them talk about what them do at the hotel, regular thing at the hotel. I mean, I said, you have to be careful when you say them things, because when nobody comes say, you don't know which hotel. Well, you can't say, because this come on. Say a bag of something going down a Hedo. That was the thing. That was the thing back in the day. Some breed or something where we hear going to hedonism, and then one day, what the other one must name, a bracket sitting on there, some, what I remember. So, them somebody are going long time. When I go hear somebody from the ghetto now, I say, yeah, Ray, with social media, I gotta come, see the master gotta come for the world. Signs of the time. Because you hear somebody have a little sex and one blowjob, $5,000. Sidebar. That rate was reasonable, That's just my opinion. No, I just happen to think the rate is quite reasonable. It's quite reasonable. Perhaps I'm in the Yuletide season and thing, it's quite festive. It's Christmas and all of that. And, people offer deals and whatever. Business is business. I just happen to think that it's a good rate. But feel free to disagree. But when I say, when I leg on something, man, This man, what name again? Wanna tell me what the pastor name, the man? It out there, cause I input him video them out there, so I can't call him name. It depends on social media, man. Somebody tell me what him name. People, the man preach one sermon. And in a sermon, the man, there's something in the Bible where it say so-and-so people, lying with so-and-so like asses or dog and whatever. And him say, that is God telling you that having sex in the doggy style is sinful. And when him done with the church, you want to hear much people get up and testify and I say, yes, true. Me did have sex doggy style and a beer. Destruction come down upon me. Me did a build one house and the house couldn't done. And this and that happened and a beer bad things happened to me because me did a do it doggy style. And because did a swipe or whatever. And the whole sermon, by the way, was focused on the woman. Because him kept saying that the woman, they must stop, make the man, them do that to them. Right? And when somebody put him near, man. What, Scott? Something Scott. I would have loved to talk to him, But I love for all I reasoning with him, and tackle him about this matter and whatever, and so forth. When them sitting down there, Scott. And when another woman, them ladies, like when the man go down pound, must stop like another woman, them, It's very sexist, And it's very, this is a man, Him not talk to the man, them, But this is a man telling women that, you are enjoying this and you think he was literally saying that, you women are enjoying this when men do it to you, but you should stop enjoying it when men do it to you. So what happened the undercurrent of what he was saying, there's some control thing there, right? The subtext of what he's saying is that we are losing control of our women because our women are actually enjoying this. And that is not a good thing. We don't want our women to be independently enjoying these things, self-determining in their sexuality and what, pleases them. We don't want that. That is the subtext of what he's saying. And the man end up and say that, he was trying to be decent, so him call it back shoot. And then after them, so don't know what I mean, don't know what I mean. So back shot, right? So him said that is evil. God don't want people to do back shot. People, backshot, doggy style, is the most commonest sex position in the world. From the dawn of humanity. You know why? You know why? Because it's a very easy position to go into. So even the earliest forms of humans and whatever, it's really easy. The woman bend over, you work behind her, Then he might go say, the reason why it's bad is because the Bible did refer to something and it used an animal metaphor, right? And like dogs and asses and whatever, this and that. And he must say, basically he must say, it's wrong because the Bible says it's evil for do it like how animals do it. Now, first of all, what is referred to as a missionary position, and missionary is a European term, right? And that's how it come out. And the missionary position, it's pure and undefiled and whatever. And that is the idea behind the missionary, which again, is wrong. Because the missionary, when them did come into non-European countries, that bear destruction them eventually bring and harm, right? The Catholic Church can't tell you that, right? Because the former Pope John Paul, who dead and gone, him end up have to apologize for all the wickedness where the Catholic Church is sanctioned under slavery and thing through many of the missionaries. But anyway, we're not getting another part. But what is called missionary position, what Jamaicans casually call mama and papa position, the idea is that is the right position to be in. That is the right position to be in. People, that is a European position. It came out of the advent of bed. And bed never did exist from humans about. Bed was something we invented long after. Right? Also, it's not like say the animal them, it was convenient for them to have the more decent position, right? Clearly the animal them can do what we call mama and papa position, the missionary style. What do you think? Now, I have seen some video with 1 and 2 dog do it for true, right? No, I've seen some video with some 1 and 2 dog, actually lay down upon them back and thing. It's really strange. It's really strange. But we know so that is not how them do it. It's impractical for them lay down and whatever. And dog now have bed. A 4 foot them have. And all these things and whatever, right? They are not a bipedal like we. They are quadrupeds. 4 foot them have. All right? And thing and whatever. So the analogy way my time, but it doesn't make no sense. Him not think it through. Him have some sort of agenda that him have something where it's like him have some sort of insecurity with women being sexually empowered. And I tell man what them want. And make man know say if you not do this, I better we not bother, And only if a man can't bother with that something there, And them come with that kind of generalship. And in this case, masking it under theology. Masking it with God. When the whole effort is to control woman. People, me not telling them what to do. Just don't go do it with picnic and all them something there, whatever. That is illegal and what. But whatever you want to do in the privacy and the thing and whatever, you want to do it and enjoy yourself. Don't make nobody make you feel guilty here. Don't make nobody make you feel guilty. I don't know if stop this foolishness one on a year. I look a thing bust out, We look at sex this and sex that. Gotta come, see it there. The world is coming to an end. And what that? Sex and blowjob for $5,000. Gotta come. Oh my God. When I said the same thing, and then she say 100,000. Yo, dog. Me say every day me have to talk my mama to her when she beat me. I say just make sure say you go to school and learn and all these things and whatever. I mean, thank God for all the comic and all the sitting there when me did I read. I want me read off all of the Hardy Boys them, and when Hardy Boys did done, and me did have one read something else. Me did see the girl them I read one series named Nancy Drew and the Bobsy Twins. But man never did for read it. I don't read them. I don't read them and don't make nobody know something that I read Nancy Drew and Bobsy Twins and thing. But read. And see it, part of the result of that, whatever me day, I know nobody can come turn me in a clap and eat that and come tell me about. Raga! If you're going to get look a sort out from somebody or whatever, don't make you get a back because of the devil. That when you move from your son, go away. And think one of the foolish people. When you dash out to the something them and enjoy on yourself out there. Ragashanti telling that. God done business with that. Can you imagine? You know the line of going to heaven and God are going to heaven and think and when you reach up, God be like, oh, no. Son, you cannot enter because you were very actively involved in doggy style. You got a lot of backers to hell for you. I damn you to the depths of Hades. Go down there with Lucifer. Can you imagine? Yeah, come up and thing and whatever, and you know the line and as about you, get stepping at the pearly gates and God look for you and say, oh, you? The amount of blowjob you gave? And you really think so you're coming into heaven? You don't know that I God hate blowjobs. Hell for you. Go make your mouth bun for eternity. Can you imagine them foolishness? People think through these things. It's nonsense. No make them turn on an idiot. Enjoy on yourself. And don't feel guilty when you not do it. I can't just imagine the phone, when you not do it and not get it. Just the mixed feeling because it feel nice. No, it feel nice, but like God, we can't believe God see me and do this and thing and whatever. And when it's sweet, on the ball out on the scream, I want to done. I'm going to beg God forgiveness. Stop waste on begging of forgiveness because God never did condemn you in the first place. Enjoy on yourself. Christmas has come right now. Dash out to the something and go and enjoy yourself. Be liberated and thing. You understand? No matter about the police on the genitals. No matter about the police on the mind. On the capacity to say, this is what I like, this is what I want to do, and there's nothing wrong with it. Right? And ladies, be careful of them man who are mass up them things just because them cannot manage on the independence. Just because them cannot manage, so they reach a point right now, it's not like before. One of us focus on pleasing man. When can't talk up now and say, no, I want this, I want you to do that. Try this man, take a troops off fight. Who remember the Mixup come in with the gangster bad man who never did want to do the thing, And what happened after? Him decide to do it. No, when him got to do it the first time and thing, him kind of put some conditions in place that one could argue perhaps, he should not have, but, and thing with the whole thing. But at least him even take some steps to help himself to, to introduce himself to the activity, i.e. the condensed milk. When I remember that mix up there, I see the All Spice come out now with song and about condensed milk and all these things. So if you have to do your look at something in privacy, and perhaps now say you're gonna do something, some sort of oral activity, and perhaps you're a tad bit concerned about the saline content in it. Saline, sodium, salt, you know? And you want to tip a little condensed milk. It's your business. Tip your condensed milk. Nothing wrong. Just go and do your thing. Just don't make nobody, them people that turn you into an idiot. And to all of the people I'm going to chat about, see there, brimstone and destruction and God, I come to all of you who talk about these things. Or to stop it. It's very arrogant. It is your right to disagree with something. It is your right to say you're not doing something. It is a disturbing further step to say your disagreement is equivalent with God's philosophy. That's very arrogant. Right? So I'm going to stop it. Anyway, I want to know what the thing said. I'm in here, Ragashanti, and me and Miss Cherry Washbelly, and thing, and we just talk it truth. We just talk it truth to our God. We just want the people I'm going to feel guilty. We don't know about a peer that stored in mind. And to me, just want to read the comments them phone, but I don't know, like, the comments, the one them I get, oh, God. No, people never put the $5,000 in context, The $5,000, the combo there. And by the way, Loving Dear have one combo song for a long time, Lloyd Loving Dear have one combo song for a long time. It named Jumbo in your combo. I don't know if no know it, but you don't know, say, me, at the Loving Dear, when it come to Loving Dear selection, I Ragashanti know the Loving Dear song them, all right? Jumbo in your combo. You can go check out that Loving Dear then. In fact, next week, Friday, we're going to play the Loving Dear Christmas medley, and we'll turn over a place senior with it. All right? All right. And what is in at the star? Cop says he was attacked by a dopey truck. See, the Jamaica always are keep, ever festive. All right. Give me a call, Amber. Hello. Greetings.
Yes, my brother.
Yeah, man, talk and put energy doing them. Somehow don't come out, hear me there. I work. Hey, Raga. Yes, my brother. Me no want to dead something in night. Yeah, give me some energy, yeah.
No energy. Proverbs say. Proverbs.
Yeah.
It say you must, in Proverbs.
Proverbs what?
It say you must, me say in Proverbs.
Yeah.
It say two things. It's one, it says that if you lie with the next man, woman, somebody will lie with yours.
If you lie with a what?
It goes back to say, but a next man, woman, somebody will lie with yours.
If you lie with a next man, woman, somebody will lie with yours? Okay, all right.
Yes, sir. All right. But
no, but that is just another way of saying if you get born can reach you too.
Precisely.
All right.
But
then.
if you go back to Solomon now,
yeah.
you must explore your woman.
You must explore your woman.
Your woman body.
Solomon say you must explore your woman body. Solomon say that?
Yeah, man.
And which scripture say?
Yes,
which scripture say that? Say Solomon say explore your woman body.
Going to Kingston Virgin, Solomon, if you explore your woman body, drink water from the well and love the breast.
Where you say drink water from the well and what?
And love the breast, but a man should never drink from another man's fountain.
So you must drink water from the well and love the breast. So you explore your woman body, right? You explore your woman body, right?
Yeah. But a man should never drink from another man's
well, man, so me just say you explore your woman body, right?
Yes, sir.
All right. There's nothing wrong with that. You kiss her all over, right? You give her what Jamaicans call, hold on, you know what Jamaicans call tongue bath? And from me, look a bit, me I hear that, tongue bath. Huh?
Boss, you say the taste is in the bud and the tip of your tongue and taste bud.
What you say, the taste is in the bud and the tip of your tongue. All right, then, big up yourself. I'm going to hear from somebody else. See ya? Give me a next call.
Mr. Raga.
Greetings. Wagwan.
Greetings, Mr. Ragashanti.
All right, no. You can't have the radio playing at the background. Anybody calling, you cannot have the radio in the background. Yeah? All right, quick. Talk quick.
You hear my radio? My radio's gone off.
I was hearing it, but we have 2 minutes before we have to break. Here, quick, no talk, no.
Listen, the lovemaking is lovemaking. It's supposed to be sweet. You're supposed to explore.
Right.
You're supposed to jump around, drop down the bed, have a good time, because guess what? God said do your best.
Right.
So if you're doing your best, you can't go cry to God about whatever. Everybody needs to grow up.
Exactly. So, but real quickly, what you think about them, their interpretation of God, that you're supposed to be super conservative and you must only do mama and papa style and no backers and them something there and you must mix it up with a little swipe. What do you think about for them argument with that?
I think those people are boring and their partners are probably going out getting the backers and all those other things.
Yeah.
Because, those are how the people talk.
Yeah.
Like this, who believe those type of things. So they can go ahead and their partner will go out and get the slam rang bang that they really want.
Yeah, then that's why them I bring up and I say them I try to control about them partner because and I talk about a God I think. But anyway, we have to go break right now because on Fridays we have the top of the hour break for 3 minutes. Yeah.
All I have to say, Mr. Rag, all I have to say is continue to keep the belly hurting with laugh. Yeah.
All right, then. That is what I do. All right. People, we're going to break. We're soon forward. We're going to 3 minute break right now. We're soon forward. We're juggle till 12 midnight tonight. Mad something. Soon juggle back. Ragashanti live. Ragashanti live. Ragashanti live. Yeah, man, welcome back up in the juggling Ragashanti live in our ears on the Big Bad Bridge 99 FM and IrieJam Radio. Bridge 99 FM in Jamaica and IrieJam Radio right here in the Big Bad New York City. What say you regarding the combo mix-up we're bossing at Jamaica and I take over the place down there? And the combo, Jamaica's making all these jokes, combo joke. I'll be a combo joke there at Jamaica right now. Be a combo joke there at Jamaica. And the interesting reaction from all these doomsayers who are saying that this is evidence of the destruction of the nation. These people, every time them here look at sexting, them lose them mind and all them something and whatever. One thing about all them look at thing, right? Hear the woman come out now and say, she have a combo, sex and blowjob, $5,000, and because them don't like it, which they're entitled to, they're saying that this is evidence of God's disdain for these activity of God. So God not like them sitting here. And, and a sign that God soon come and all them something here. All right. So, if we don't want to call him, we're going to go upon something else and then we can't talk and whatever. We still upon the topic, the one, burning. Or if you catch people when they get burned, I know if you get born and don't get catch. With the pan I want that too, so you can call upon right? Now, again, if you ever give advice of you catch people when they get born, then naturally you're simultaneously giving advice about something you should avoid doing, when you get born so that you don't get catch, right? So if somebody say, yo, if you want to catch people when they get born, touch them on the right hand. Right? Then clearly, if you get born and you don't want to get catch, then you're going to say, well, I'm going to make sure nobody not touch me on my right hand. So the point I'm making, I'm not taking sides here. But then somebody had an interesting discussion with me, say, one of the ways in which people get catch right now is receipt. When people buy things and receipt, right? It may sound like something simple, Enough people get catch with receipt, What happened I hear? Somebody attack you? Oh, a Jamaica attack you? Oh, true, it's so loud. Yeah, but you have to be careful, because me think I don't, you have to be careful with me, because before you know it, me get up and I turn my road 3 times. Can me hear this kind of, well, I'm like, Jesus have mercy. Then I really, the demon, them a come down for me, But anyway, receipt. You'd be surprised how much people get catch a gibbon, with something to do with receipt, right? So somebody had tell me about a situation where, she didn't know about the man wife, you know, the man woman. And thing, but him go buy gift for her and whatever. And then him go have the receipt. It's simple. So if the woman see the receipt, she go pick up wagwan. But it get even more interesting with nowadays with digital receipt. Because a lot of things that people buy now, there is some sort of receipt notification associated with it. If you buy something online, invariably, the company are going to send you an email and say, this is your order. When your order prepare, yes, your order ship and things. So you get them. So those are receipts too, you know. Those are receipts too. Right? So, again, you know, it works on both sides. If you you can't find out somebody movements, you know, if you can't get access to them receipts, them digital receipts. You can't know where them buy this and that and whatnot. Let me give you another example of the receipt thing they can go on, you know. Say you go buy something. And you go do so and so with it when the person I want you know. And then now, at the time, them did ask you, what you did there? And you say, no, I did this so and so. But you never did this so and so, you know. You did go buy something for somebody. Them have a thing on the phone right now. And some thing I'm telling you, I will reach people, you know. You have to be careful, you know. Because say you and your lady are what, or you and your gentleman who you did born, or your lady who you did born. And then you go in a store now, and boom, come up on your phone. You were last year in, you know, October 16th and whatever. It's a form of receipt that, you know. Right? Because them digital sitting here, you know, them can't tell you where you did, say it when last you did it, and where you did buy and all them something there, you know. You go on Amazon and you buy so and so. You say, if you go lick something, it say, oh, you did buy it so and so, you know, you did buy it August 15th, you know, you want to buy it again, right? Them have these various forms. This tracking thing and whatever, and with, you know, it can happen with receipt. And enough people I get beat with them something. So all I'm saying, if we're not doing a thing and whatever, right now, low tech is the way to go, you know. Low tech. Someone figure that out already. That's why what they call the phone, what they call the phone when a boss a banger phone they call it. Is banger phone in him? That's what in here. A banger phone in here, right? Yeah, banger phone. The idea with banger phone, you know, is that it's not as fancy and whatever, this and that, which means it's not as plugged into everything like, you know, like them other something, you know? So naturally, if somebody end up have a banger phone and you involved with them, of course you're gonna say, why does she need a banger phone? Why need a banger phone? How am up to? How is she up to? And whatever. If you find out somebody have a banger phone and all that thing and whatever, that's another way. You know? But if you're gonna do something and whatever, and you want to decrease the probability that you can be tracked, yeah, banger phone is the way to go. Right? Now, I have embraced the technology. I pay for my subway ride with my phone, Google Pay, right? There's some place that I have to be a lot during the week, and when me go there, is my phone. Me just put my phone up on the machine, and it me buy my snacks and whatever juice more, right? Me have to take train. Me have my tickets them in and phone and all them something. It's like the phone, you know, and then I go lose a phone, the dog near Mixup. But if you know you're involved in a certain things and whatever, that is not a good idea. If you know you're a juggler, you have to keep that separate, man. You can't function normal, you know, the way you always do with the technology and get involved in a 10 million something with the phone. At some point, you ever get catch. At some point, somebody smart enough are going to know, say, them can check this or that on you and find out. If them want to find out so and find out your movements and all these things, them can do that. Right? Watch your receipt, them. Whitney Houston never have one song. Whitney Houston never have one song, man, where, like, she said, a part of the song, she talk about the man. And like she said, and yeah, this and that, I'm see the receipt, them and whatever. I'm find the receipt them. Like you say, you did this so and so, but I find the receipt them. How would that song that the name? I forgot what that song that one. Whitney used to say that one song, man. Like she say, yeah, so this and that and this and that. But I see the receipt for a restaurant where you did there. And I know say somebody, you know. Somebody ever send it to me. Make I just keep this thing here open. Right? Don't worry yourself. Don't worry yourself. You ask me large up, love and blessings. Yeah. Heartbreak Hotel, other one there, don't. Heartbreak Hotel. Yeah, I think she other one there. Other one there. Yeah. When she see the receipt and they might get beaten and all them things there, whatever. But anyway, we have the topic that we are juggling with same way too. Someone to call in and tell me ways in which you did get catch a gibbon. Or where you catch somebody a gibbon. Like the tricks of the trade, the modern tricks of the trade, right? I could read that way so that, you know, it's kind of safe and whatever, you know? And then tell me the mistake where people out there make, you know, where them give it themselves when they might get born. We want to hear about that. We want to hear the modern renditions of those things, you know? Some things where go on where, you know, so people get catch. Like, you know, something where you sus out, or something where you mats out, or something where you check, or something where them do wrong. And you say, we know them little thing there, whatever. We already go through the you know, turn down your phone and all them something. Them regular something there. But if we don't have any like specific one where what happened recently with Uno, or not even recently, but just happened with Uno, or happened with one of your relative, or one of your friend, about some interesting ways in which people get catch and get bun. Give me a call and tell about it. Give me a call and tell about it, right? Give me a call and tell about some of the more nowadays way where people get catch and get bun, right? Give me one of them call. Give me one of them call, Amber. Hello. Hello, caller. Hello. Hear the line up, them people. Mm-hmm. Yes, hello.
Hello, Raga.
Yes, greetings.
Greetings. I call from Florida. Anyway, Raga, that's something happened to my uncle, right?
Yeah.
Him think he my world girl is in a Raga, but listen. I want to look at Catty at Jamaica, right?
Yeah.
So he might go down there now, so I can want a suitcase for the Catty with full of goodies.
Yeah.
So he called me and he said to me, Nisi, I carry down his suitcase, but here what? Now, I can't go to the house because my wife has to go to the airport. So she happy to see everything.
Right.
So he said, anyhow she called her, tell him, say, you give me a suitcase to carry down.
Right.
So I said to him, say, that's it? Yeah, man, Nisi. They say, you don't have no sense.
Lord Jesus. Go on, talk. Big mistake. That man doing it. But go on, talk.
They said, listen to me, because you're not get me in trouble.
Right.
That me said to him.
Yeah.
You're not make your wife hate me. Here I know.
Yeah.
First and foremost, I need a picture of that suitcase.
Proper.
I need the color. I need the size.
Yes.
I need at least 4 items in that suitcase.
Yes.
It's a Nisi man. Me say you. Hear what me say to you.
Oh.
All right, Nisi. Open it. Me say open the suitcase and take a picture. Lock it and take a picture.
Yeah.
Take it from 3 different angles.
Yeah.
Then Nisi are true, you know. Raga. As he was dropping me off at the airport, she called me.
Yes.
Hi. So I said, hi. You know, it's not anything too personal, but, you know, XYZ have a suitcase, and she said you give it to her to bring to her friend. I said, oh, the purple suitcase.
Right. Aha.
Raga, when me, I said, the purple suitcase. Yes, man, there's some little some hair products and some standards. She said, no, that's fine. I was just checking, girl. You know, we're doing our little research. Raga, she not asking
no more, because you shut her down this, sir. You shut her down right this.
If she didn't ask me no more, she'd be stupid. Raga, woman is detailed.
No, but
then, Raga, if she did call me, I said, just say, what color suitcase?
I did right there, sir. You understand?
My uncle and me say, you don't have no sense. Me say, you know, so she call. According to him, just in case she call, she not going to call. She said, yes, this she has some stuff because I ended up opening it and put some little stuff because they had some space.
And that is what men do all the time. Them come up with an alibi and don't work out the details of the alibi.
Can you tell me?
The amount
of... you want extra lesson, man.
Me
tell you. Tell me, Raga, me say you want extra... Me say you want... You know when Pitney Dung say you send my extra class? Me say you want extra lesson.
No, you can't ask... Well, you can't ask the TamFam. Me tell them all the while. Man, when them do... Yo, dog... Any woman can't ask you, just tell her something over your yard, and them just left it right this up. And then when the woman just neatly say, so the one junior thing, oh, am I right? And things, so what did I do? Him feel better. No? So what did I do when you go over there? Didn't have no story. The other time she probably had done talk to Junior and get Junior to say something, and then she had a feel him out after.
Then the next man tell me send it over. If me man send it over Junior, I'd call Junior. First thing I say. Junior, what color shirt you have on?
Them something there.
Happy Spanish, I'm going to start talk.
What game on the player? Who win the game? And them something there.
Raga, if me go with that man, you know, and first rule to the game when you give on Raga, you have to have a confederate. You know what is a confederate?
Yeah. You have to have a bucketive, right?
As a woman, you have to have, and that's the, yes, that's the.
No, well on. No must do, you know. No must do it, but
leave.
Right, but
leave just in case. So I got say, girl, you know, say the man when me tell you about like me, say me want me and to go up on a date. First and foremost, you have to shatter a picture, Raga.
Yeah.
Shatter a picture with how you look, to your hair, to your eye, to your makeup, to your lipstick.
Yeah, or you look when you go,
so you say,
when you go to your man,
down to the color lipstick. Down to the color lipstick for your mouth.
Yeah.
So you see when the man asks him, oh, when he does, oh, yes, man. And, you know, the restaurant, you want to see food, you show every angle.
Yeah.
Every angle. So that's when he call that, yes, man, and with the go over in IrieJam, with the some rat labs, yes, man, and he
details.
He can't ask no more questions, Raga. He look like a fool.
Exactly.
Details, Raga. Precise. You get to the point. Is that going to the embassy? Yeah. You answer the question when you don't have a follow-up. So they won't give you a follow-up after a follow-up question.
Because you answer good. Them not have a follow-up.
You answer precise and perfect. They don't need to follow up questions.
No, what a lot of people embassy or even when you're coming at immigration, you see sometimes them say,
exactly.
So how are you do? So what you going to do here? What you come to the world? Them not really want to know, you know. Them just want to see how you going to answer. And if when you answer now,
how precise?
If when you answer now, you know, look confident or you know, look relaxed or you think that whatever, I trigger you. Oh, so I'm gonna dig deeper right here, so no, I'm gonna probe right here.
Yes.
Something about you know look right, and that is how man do. Enough time when woman, you know, like when woman I check out man, you know, very often woman not come accusatory, you know, because if the man, if the man say, made it over Junior. I said, Junior have a girlfriend named Marsha, right? The woman may come and say, oh, so what going on with Marsha? Or she in the school? What?
Right.
No, Marsha.
You don't know nothing. You don't know Marsha go to school.
Well, I know. Which and Marsha? Oh, Marsha. Yeah, then over Junior, you did that? Yeah. Then I'm going to ask you, Marsha. So you never see Marsha when you go, and right, that's what she catch you. Right, that's what you catch you because you start box shuffle.
Me niece, me did think me know you, but me not have no sense. Raga, next time me tell him say, if you go send money to somebody, it better you make somebody send the money, or make me send the money to the girl, then you sell me back the money. Don't be stupid. That's receipt, dear.
Receipt, man.
You can always tell your wife, say, you give your niece. You know what I'm saying?
Oh, so when money I send, you have to send.
Me send the money go give the girl.
Like somebody else send the money.
No, not send the direct. Have a second. Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
You don't leave
her. Send it back home, give me. You know?
Yeah. You don't leave a digital
trail. Because I know what go on, me niece. Me say you better know.
Because even later down the line, you know, something can come up, you know, where she can. So, and it don't even have to be anything where investigative or anything. It can be something that just come up where it reveals, say, oh, you have a Western Union account, or you did send so and so. When?
Yeah.
I don't know you send the money, you know.
You sell money, Raga, me say, you're idiot. So you say sell the money, make me sell the money to her, then you sell back the amount to me, borrow it from me.
No, but Zell, no, you can't Zell go Jamaica. Oh, somebody different this, because you can't Zell go Jamaica.
No, man, no, New York, indeed I say.
Okay, different.
So what me think? Mr. No.
Oh, so if you send money with the burning thing or whatever,
when
make somebody else send it.
When I Jamaica, me tell him to make my mother deal with it.
But we're not easy. What are we on the
niece, boy? We're not easy.
So what I know? What you mean make your mother deal? When do we send the money to your mother Jamaica?
My mother de Jamaica.
Yeah.
My mother de Jamaica. So if a Jamaican transaction, let the mother deal with it. Not send no money to no woman and receipt that.
Okay. Oh.
So when you send something to your sister, make she deal with the transaction and she a secretary and she the treasurer, make she be the treasurer. Why me need to do no easy, no teach me a lot. You better learn.
Oh. Yeah, man, send it to your mother and then your mother.
Because every little thing I got in love call to me name, so me I was just listen before you do something, make me know because I look stupid because you're foolish as you are do.
Right.
Everything you please let me know.
Right, because him not really know the road code like that, no.
No, in thinking way.
No, but
in thinking way.
No, but what about if somebody I say, yeah, but you don't want to, you know, when you do them something, as much as possible, you don't want to involve anybody because the less other people know, and the less them can like sell. What about that reason?
And that's how we demand. You see, film needs them. You always talk about him. All we do not chat with lock with mouth.
Okay.
He's confident that way. He's confident we not say nothing.
Okay.
He's confident. He not do that with anybody, man.
Okay.
He's too leader man and his sister. He not go out of there, so he's confident.
Yeah.
He knows that we not say nothing.
Yeah.
He's
so
confident.
So basically, on a support on a male relative when them I get born, but on no one phone man go on a bun, right? I saw it go right.
Raga, listen.
I am just asking, I find it interesting.
Him say him learn a lot from me, and me learn a lot from him.
Oh.
And me learn a lot from him. I don't support him. Guess what, Raga? Me always let you know. You see a yard, respect have to do this stuff.
Right.
And one thing when it comes to respect, and him teach me this. If a girl don't know her place, a hot boy, you have to drop her. Anything you see she go out her line, you have to drop her.
Yeah.
That's a mash up yard. No matter you love her, if she come over the red line, you have to drop her.
No, she don't even have to do whatever, you know. Make sure I just start all. So, how your wife do with that and thing? You see, once a woman say that and thing, he's a rough man or check her hard. Nobody go there, son. Nobody ask them question.
But that's the rule for him, yes. Because you cannot make nobody disrespect your yard.
Yeah.
You understand?
Yeah.
So that you have to cut them off, Raga. So me is like the Confederate. When he get home and he can't talk to them, because chucking in the Raga, and me have to talk to them. You have to keep them company.
You have to keep.
I work.
You have to keep.
This side girl and company.
So what are they? That means him have to peel you some food then and take care of you and make sure you.
You have to pay me around here, Raga. You have to pay me loving it. I want my ball, Raga. Me have to keep their company.
When them a ball, though.
Yeah. When they can't get the man to talk to them, how you talk about, man?
Yeah. All right, but me hear what some other people are saying. Yeah.
All right, Raga.
Love and blessings, man. Cool. All right, next call. Hello. Yes, greetings.
Greetings, Mr. Raga.
What?
This is me last week with the Maaawd business.
With the what?
That girl.
Yeah. No, well on. Let me tell you, do well on. Me not in that foolishness with you doing the car. You call and I say you not tell with something. Right?
Me don't tell it, make you know who you talking
No, me know, but don't do me that again. Because that don't make sense. You call and tell me, say you not tell me something. Right?
No.
All right. So what you have to say, I know?
That girl, even though I just realize I'm going to share do it, but oh my God, what happened to the girl code? Jesus, what you gonna do? She better pray that the wife and boyfriend and family don't recognize our voice because everything blew up.
No, what you mean girl code? What you mean girl code, Anna? Explain it.
Doing that to woman, especially to the wife. Oh my God!
No, but is our uncle, is our family? Hold on, is our uncle, is our family, and whatever this and that. Child, look out for your uncle. What wrong with that? You know, look out for your family.
Okay, excuse me, Raga, let me tell you something now. Me know that. Even when I'm young, I go back to my brother now. My brother probably a listen, but still, my brother, you know, a lot of men cheat. Yeah. And my brother, he decided he was going to have a girl at work, one, say about 15 blocks away,
yeah,
and another he lived with.
Right.
And because my mother, my sister, and me, we don't put up with all that stuff. I don't know how it happened. I think I was in high school at the time.
Mm-hmm. That
somehow the trade and buck up at the house.
Right.
Big, it was no big knuckle fight, but it was big argument. After that, the one that was like 15 blocks away, she was done with him. I think she was even pregnant at the time. But of course, because where you work, he would probably still saw that one. And then the one that he lived with a few years later, they broke up. But my mother, none of us assisted him with that crap. We didn't put ourselves in that. As a matter of fact, we talked to him and said it wasn't right to do stuff like that.
Oh, but, so, all right. I want you to be honest with me now. When it part of the girl code, no means that there are times when una born and then you have woman and look out for your girlfriend and look out for you to follow the girl code. That the part of the girl code.
I'm sure that's part of the girl code, but not part of my. I don't believe in that cheating stuff because, you know, as I
hold on. You have never, ever given bun?
No, I've never.
No, you never answer confident a while ago. You know what you do a while ago now? You know what you do? You know say you give bun, you know, but you have some justification in your mind where it's not bun. You see, you all this time, hold on. All this time you talk to me, you're confident. You speak right away. You know, you're snappy. You think crisp. And when me ask you, you hear this little awkward pause and it's like,
okay, I'm going back to younger years.
Yeah.
20s.
Yeah.
20s.
Yeah.
So I think when you get older, you have sense. College years.
No, man, hold on. So you get born already then?
Well,
what am I tell you? Every time you ask about that, you sound like you run out of breath and like you can't talk. All right. So you say, all right, you get born in your 20s. Hold on, man. You get born in your 20s then, right?
Because most likely I was getting the bun.
Hold on, no. You see it? Hold on, spoken like a true woman. No, you were answering everything crisp and to the point, you know. And anytime when me ask you, anytime you get born or whatever, you start waver, you vacillate, you know. And now you give me a justification. You are giving me a reason for something that you don't even tell me so you do yet. I'm going to ask you again. So you used to get born when you did in your 20s?
The reason why, okay, say yes,
Well on, we could try this again. You used to get born in your 20s. Yes or no?
What? You all let me give you the explanation because
Hold on. Listen to me. You cannot give an explanation for something where you don't say what the something is. Usually people say, yo, you know, them tell you what them do and them give the explanation for what them do. You are giving me an explanation for something where you're not able to tell me so you do. So I'm going to ask you again. Hold on. So you did get born in your 20s. When you're in your 20s, you did get born. Eh?
Let's put it this way. Go out.
Jesus have mercy. Men, I want you to listen this. Men, I want you to listen what just happening, you know. What she said, what about the girl code? How we don't put up with this and that? And you hear that? You see it? You saw she hold it? I know she don't admit nothing. I know she don't admit it. Men, when you pay attention.
You want me to give you a good test?
What?
You want me to give you a good test?
If you give me a good what?
It's kind of simple. Caught. Bunning get caught.
Okay. So wait, we're moving on to something else now, right? Well, hey, you see you're sampling, You see, your sample. You see, all if me and you did there, and think I would have war between me and you because you'd have come with your head and think and your smarts and whatever, and me would have just think me would have done a toe-to-toe with you and just say, you can't go around me. But anyway, hey, I guess what? I think you want to move on to something else. So let us both move on to something else without you having admitted at all. Say you didn't give one already. But anyway, so we're moving on. Tell me what a nice situation when somebody did get catch.
Okay.
Yeah.
I was the one that caught the person. It was kind of a dumb thing.
Yeah.
But anyway, I did tell you about the person I was seeing that was a reggae singer.
Right.
So this person goes to different countries.
Yeah.
I told you about the Boston one that I caught up very fast.
Mm-hmm.
As a matter of fact, he got a car from the woman in Boston, which was, that was so, I won't even say dumb, but you know what?
Yeah.
It didn't make sense to go to Boston on the plane and come back with a car. But anyway.
You go in fly, go Boston on the plane and drive a car, come back?
Yes, when the Bonner woman. As a matter of fact, basically, he knew her before me, so basically, he probably was buddy with me, which I didn't know because I thought I was the only one. But anyway, little by little, you find out. So, which island was it? I think it was Guyana.
Mm-hmm. No, Guyana is not an island. Guyana is not an island, but go on. It's in the Caribbean, not in South America, but it's not an island. But continue. Go on.
I remember which he went, because he goes all over the place.
Right.
So, he came back with an album. So I was like, look at the this is so nice. He showed me the album.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, this is so nice, all these people. I don't know. I have a thing about I pick up certain things.
Yeah.
Because I didn't go 2 minutes. So when he wasn't there one day, I decided to go to the album. What do you think I do when he wasn't there?
Hold on, this is a photo album. When it's an album, hold on. Is a photo album you're talking about?
Yes, you know those albums that they stick down with glue a long time. Just remember, this is 90s.
Yeah. Okay.
So I decided to go to the album and I look at the back of the pictures. And what do you think was written? I can't even say what was written on the back of the pictures.
What was written on the back?
On one particular picture.
What?
It was a girl. The girl was there by herself, and it was kind of indicating what occurred and how happy she was.
What you mean?
So that was so.
So them did sort out and things. So she did write something about that. What occurred with them, right?
Right. She said it was great or good or whatever, something like that. So do you hold
on. No. I mean, that sounds simple. Enough. But suppose I tell you that the average man, it sounds simple, but the average man would never take up a picture and look on the back eye. They may look on the picture,
exactly.
But the average man now go out of them and say, make a check the back of the picture, right? Again, details and thinking about certain things. That is interesting. And back in them days, it was a thing for write things at the back of picture when, and whatever, write like nice little things at the back of picture and things. And I saw you find, Lord Jesus. Well, one thing before you go. Right? And listen this and tell me what you think about him. Before you go. Before we take a break. I believe that if you're a woman involved, right, you must never leave that woman alone in your private space. You must leave her alone in your private space. You must assume, say, all women, them go and search and look and record certain things and whatever this is. Am I wrong or am I right?
I agree, but guess what? I don't think because before the Boston issue, I didn't.
No. I'm not talking about you. I'm just asking what you think about that. Because some friends and we had a discussion.
I agree because especially, if you know you're a cheater, but if you're not a cheater, it don't matter. It does not matter.
We're talking about burning. No. We're talking about burning. We are talking about burning.
Okay, yeah. Well, then I guess you want your evidence to be found.
No,
if you know you're cheating, you're gonna have to. Huh?
No, there was a situation where let's say, you know, the well, wasn't his wife, but him woman, you know, she was away, and him have the bonnet woman there. So the argument amongst us, we were at a cafe and whatever, and I was saying, no, you don't do that, and him I said, no man, she cool, and me I say, you know, my argument was, you don't understand. Women see things men don't see. Women see things of women that men don't. Let me tell you how far me take it. Me pay attention, you know. When me did a while, me did a date this girl, and one time she come in and she say a thing, right? I will never forget it. And she say, is that woman spread your bed? I said, what? And she says, is that woman spread your bed?
Exactly.
And at that time, I was injured, my knee and thing and whatever. I tore some ligaments in my knee. And it wasn't a big deal. It wasn't anything like untoward or whatever. But it struck me that this is something I would never think of. That a woman can look on how a bed make and kind of have a sense like whether he make the bed or is the next person. Something as simple as that. So if you go have like a bonnet woman in your space and she go spread your bed, chances are your woman come in and see that bed and say, and I saw that bed and I saw him spread the bed and I saw man spread the bed and I saw him spread the bed and them look at something there. So me I say sometimes woman them in your space, them will search up too and them will do things and whatever. But them will just leave certain mark that where your woman can pick up where you not noticing it, but your woman will notice it. You know?
Exactly. Because if you spread, she probably know, if you would spread the bed say once in a while, she probably know how you did it.
Exactly.
So that right there.
No. I have to take a break now. I have to take a break. But I wouldn't know. I noticed this years after. And it's true. Men spread bed very different from women. And if you're not paying attention, you won't notice it. But women do make beds very different from men. They're neater and more coordinated and them look at something and whatever. I think very. But even on the floor, the sheet, them at the corner, like if you not fold them, you do it very different from men.
Exactly.
You know?
I have a better one.
No, I have to. Them a cost me. I have to leave. I have to take a break now. We are don't vex here. But thanks for calling in again here. All right, people, we're going to break. We're soon forward.
While I originate, others trying to imitate.
IrieJam, the most imitated Caribbean sound north of Montego Bay.
Ragashanti live. Ragashanti live. Ragashanti live. Yeah, man, back in the juggling. Just want to remind you that I'm here on the Bridge 99 FM in Jamaica. Monday nights, Wednesday nights, and Friday nights from 9 o'clock. Monday night, Wednesday night, and Friday night from 9 o'clock. And of course, you can also listen on the IrieJam Radio app or watch on the IrieJam Radio app because we have a live video feed and things. So wherever you are in the world, even though I'm on the Bridge 99 FM in Jamaica, you can indeed listen wherever you are in the world because the internet affords those opportunities, not only audio, but also video. And do remember that on Fridays, as is the case right now, the show is simulcast right here on IrieJam Radio, just as it is in the Bridge 99 FM in Jamaica. And, people are listening to me right now in the New York metropolitan area. And with the pan of things, say, what? I'm going to take a call. Give me a call, Amber. Greetings. Yeah, talk up. Yeah.
Respect, blessings to you and the family.
Yeah.
Yeah, stay with the bone army can come off I bone look with.
No man, stay with it. Whatever topic you can call about, whatever you want to talk about. It's a talk show.
Okay.
Yeah.
You know, I think 2 days ago you was talking about the Jamaican culture.
Yeah.
And you see, by my work, we have a Spanish guy and a guy from Pakistan.
Yeah, Spanish and Pakistan.
So when they talk, to me,
yeah,
a straight Jamaican they talk.
Yeah.
Straight Jamaican. The Pakistani one used to go to college with a Jamaican.
Yeah.
So him understand everything.
Yeah.
I mean, just say the culture is so beautiful.
Yeah.
And wonderful. That's something I have to sit down and say, look at them 2 guys.
Yeah.
The man them just straight Jamaican patois.
Yeah. Them love the language. Right.
Rude boy. What go on, man?
Yeah.
you come back from your tree. I say, tree. And they must say, tree, man, tree.
Yeah.
And then there's a top of the culture. We have a daughter. We're born here. And my daughter, anytime I talk to her, is straight Jamaican she want to talk to her.
Mm-hmm.
She don't want to talk no proper English per se or young. No, she talk back to me in patois for me answer her back in patois.
See?
And then her mother break up and her stepfather Jamaican. She then carry go to Jamaica like twice a year.
Yeah.
That make it even better for her. When me and her talk a straight Jamaican, she talk to me. I'm going to say, all right.
And yet you have all these people in Jamaica who say, you know, you must still exclude it from the official spaces, and you must still make English, superior to the Jamaican patois. And, them use all these excuses, it's a language of the world, and it's a language of commerce, and you must equip them, and it's a language of education, and all them something there, and whatever, and thing. And again, I said it, I'm going to say, the only place that have suffered discrimination and relating to the language and observe people, abusing others, verbally mostly, with respect to the Jamaican language and what we call patois. The only place me see that happen where people abuse others about it is in Jamaica. Everywhere else me go and whatever, the people them love the language. Yeah, so it must mean that the Jamaican elites, them is that who don't like the Jamaican patois and whatever. And it must mean that them is a set of the immediate then. That it must mean.
No, we can't guess if they're my idiot.
Them are idiot, man.
They might prove themselves the way and we are guess.
Yeah.
We can't guess no more. We know so them are idiot.
Them are idiot.
Raga, you see, let me tell you, Raga, me there foreign from 1994.
Yeah.
And so sometimes I go to Jamaica, the language change for me.
Yes.
And I say, a man come to me and say, yo, you match up the thing? I say, what? Match up the what?
If you match up the thing, yeah. Well, that never.
Yeah, and I say, match up. And the man say, you sort out the thing? I say, sort out.
Nah, but I know. Sometimes the language change in a way where me not comfortable with it, though. I can't tell you that. You sound like my age, right? So you sound like you come from European and with trash. Remember them there? Trash and red.
Yes.
You sound like
Chacha boy.
Yeah, Chacha boy. And with trash. When you look good, they say, boy, I'm trash. So you sound like you come
Chris,
from my time.
Chris.
Yeah, and Chris. Yeah, man, you look Chris like Chris Biscuit. But you don't know, sir. One night time, the language make a shift. I mean, want everybody listen right now because me not burn out nobody because I don't want nobody believe say me a bit homophobic or nothing. But me I tell you, say when the language shift in that way, me I feel wonder what one. I mean, me couldn't deal with it because something weird when them talk, so you don't even know if I want to try screech upon you. You see, when the word suck, all right? What the word name? Suck. There's multiple ways. Multiple ways suck using in the language down there now, you know. If police take with somebody, you know, here what I'm to John.
And suck him off.
Them suck him off, man. Them suck off John, you know. And I'm like, okay. No, but not only that.
Clean up a thing, yes.
Well, yeah, a man will come up to you and say, John, Raga, me not depend you nothing. I'm not suck off a thing and fire rap. Yo, big man, watch your language, man. Me don't know what you say.
You know, you see them bite, Raga.
Yeah.
You see them bite, Raga.
No, but we use bite like that. You get bite, you know. Yeah, you know, you say Charlie get bite. Charlie get bite.
But, Raga, me and my next daughter go in a supermarket.
Yeah.
And then them put Usain Bolt on I think a Time magazine. Them put it by one of them big magazine there.
Yeah.
Local magazine in Sports Illustrated or whatever. And my daughter one of my next daughter she about 13 them time there.
Yeah.
When me and I walk in a supermarket, I say, who that? She said, Daddy the Bolt? I say, yes, my daughter. And I feel so proud that a Usain Bolt, but she don't know the Usain, but she knows the Bolt.
Right.
And she said, Daddy, the Bolt? I say, yes.
Yeah.
Because you see, we as Caribbean people,
me
run into one of my co-worker one day. And she said, this is my daughter, she born here. Listen what she saying about Raga. Listen what she say, because you always have to listen what people talk.
Yeah.
This is my daughter, the one you born up here.
Mm.
So you see what she tell us, eh? You see that one you born up here?
Mm-hmm.
She's different from the one you born down there. And me treat her different. That's she tell me. Because what you tell me she born here for? This is your daughter. That's say this is my daughter. I know you say Raga.
Well, I have something about right. No, she not necessarily mean nothing bad with that.
No, man, nothing bad. But what she tell you still, Raga, is that one, yeah, me treat her different from the rest. Trust me that, Raga. Who feels it knows it.
No, some people do treat them American-born children who speak differently. They're more special than the one. Yeah, that is true. That is.
Then my brother. But
well on. Them I beg me push and squeeze in somebody else. Yeah, them I beg me squeeze in somebody else before the break. Amber, I beg me squeeze in somebody.
All right. Yeah. Do your thing then.
No beg.
Respect.
Okay, go.
All right, boss.
Yes, Amber. Hello.
Hello, Raga.
Yeah.
Good night.
Oh, Mr. Never Rang. What you say? Yeah.
What you go on? Good program. That lady, the lady who come to talk to me, not tell the truth.
What she not tell me? The one who did not call before, yeah. What you have to say about her?
You not tell the truth.
The woman not tell the truth?
Yeah, when you ask, you not tell the truth, because when you ask me question, I answer. In the override the question you ask him, because he knows centric.
So what you think? So you think that she give bun or you think that she give several bun but no one?
In give bun, because in give bun when you hear the talk in cheek.
So she cheat? The woman?
When you hear the talk, in answer your question you ask him. So in give bun.
So what on, Mr. Neverang? You feel that she give bun? I think that she give more bun than in her 20s too, you know. I think she give more bun than that, you know. But
that's what I tell. This is what something. That's what I say.
Yeah.
He know in give bun. That's why he not ask your question when you ask him.
Yeah, that's not a question.
He know. Anyway.
Yeah.
Bun. You see bun?
Yeah.
When a woman say no give bun, me talk both sides. Me talk both to the man and the woman.
Yes.
I know you in a good bun. I ain't self in the gay.
Thank you. Explain that. As me
tell already, me tell you how much time already. Me say, when you find a woman, the woman they keep man in the house tell you.
Yeah, you said that.
As long as you live at that house, you and him.
Yeah.
Tell you.
You and her.
Until you action.
Yeah.
Yes. Until you see the action and do. As you don't see things when they do before. You know, that they tell you right there, so.
But you know, say me and somebody attack and thing and whatever, and the whole issue come up because me did ask about bunning. And I tell him, say, you know, say, him not sound like somebody who ever get born. I not feel say you ever get born, you know, Mr. Never Wrong. I not feel so, you know.
No, me never principle. Me never say me are the best.
Right.
But me never find a woman or give me bun. From a fine
No. Me never ask if you never find a woman will give you a bun, you know. Me just I say you no give bun.
Yeah. No,
right. No, but remember say we did find out say you did have woman who give you a bun, you know, remember that?
The woman, that's why I tell you, the woman will give me bun in himself.
Oh.
That's what I try to show you.
Okay.
The woman, even your wife, you live with the wife in the give bun. I know you in the give, I self in the give bun.
Right.
I self, Raga.
Right.
Use your head, use your common sense. I know you, because once you find out to Raga, you know, I move on.
Okay. So when you there with your woman, hold on. When you there with your woman and a woman a draw, we have 2 minutes, and a woman a draw fee and one give you look or something. What you do? You just tell them straight, say you not do nothing, you're not cheat by your woman, you're not cheat by your wife.
Tell them plain, where you give me lady, or me live with Avi.
Oh,
so no sense.
Okay.
Me tell you plain, where you give me make love to me, me lady give me a
so the woman never draw for you yet. Like I look a side woman a draw for you and then you start get turned on.
No,
you never feel like your skin a race for your side woman yet or whatever and think. So when you're married and thing, you never look on another woman and say, John, what that woman you're round and sexy, you know. You never look on another woman, so yeah.
Yes, you see them, but you don't draw attention there, so.
Oh, okay.
You don't, because what that woman have outside they give you woman have you already. So where you go into again?
So we have 1 minute to go before the break. So you have never cheated on any woman who you're there with?
No, me never find myself in that predicament. Never.
But me have a friend, them call her Foxy. Yasmin. Anyhow you say she, you'd have born your woman with Foxy. Me I tell you. You'd have one born your woman with Foxy.
Well, Listen, me not go disrupt my woman to suit her.
Me, I tell you, say you that money. Me, I tell you, say you couldn't resist Foxy. You couldn't resist Yasmin. You couldn't resist.
Me never say. Listen to me. Never say me not go do it, no. But me not go resist my life. Disrupt my lady to suit her.
No, what me I say? You say me I tell you, say the way you fat. Well, me gonna come back to you here because you don't have to worry about because I'm branching. So I'm gonna come back to you. We're gonna take a break and we'll come back to you, because me I tell you, say, any Foxy did a drive for you, and when you look for Foxy round and sexy and tan good, you'd have born your woman for you. But when we come back, we're gonna talk to you. We're gonna finish this argument, yeah. Oh.
This is Zion Stewart, and you're listening to my dad, the awesome Ragashanti, on Bridge 99 FM.
Check. Yeah, man, back in our juggling and thing. Mr. Never Rang still online, eh?
Yes.
Yeah, Mr. Never Rang. So when I said to you now, you are say you that you never give bonnet and thing and whatever, but me I tell you, say, from when me I hear from you and thing, man, I mean, know one sexy piece of woman named Foxy, man, Yasmin. I mean, know say Yasmin come just kind of like rub up on you a little bit and thing and give you two pretty smile and thing and make your body weak to the treatment and whatever. Me know, and if you did there with your wife at the time, you'd have bun your wife with her. What you say about that?
No, with women like those, all me would have do from them.
You know what?
If they give me not beg them.
Yeah.
Me then give me their money, me take care, come give me one and I leave it.
What you say? If the woman give money, if the woman give you money, you're going to take care of your woman?
Yes, of course. That me do it. Who else me do take care of you?
And then you would take care of them. So then suppose them give you the money and say, them want you sort them out, I give them a little kiss.
No. Me tell them, say, why you don't give me? Give me the money. Why you don't give me woman have it? So me they go, give the woman me money and then give me why you don't give me.
All right, then then when me answer, then suppose she say she will give you more money where you can bring or give your woman, but you have to run something upon her, then you that do it?
Me take the money, but me don't go take it again.
But me say, suppose she said to you, say, I shall give you money, but she'll give you even more money. She'll give you 10 times what she just give you and thing. But all you have to do is sort her out and thing, and you can't carry the money go give your wife. What you that do? You that still do it? You that do it?
Me take the money from him and tell him the same thing. Me say, listen, what you have, they go give me again. Me don't go, me wife, me lady have to give to him. So me don't give me the money. Me go.
So basically, you nah burn your wife at all.
No, me not. No, if him not burn, why should I do him something like that? Him have to start the first,
Okay.
And you the man have to start the first.
When they say him, you refer to she. We just want to remind people.
No, you the man have to start the burning first, and then one find out, then one do it.
Okay.
Make you see how you feel.
Okay.
But if you not do it, the woman not gonna do it.
What you just say what?
I say, you the men have to start it first.
Yeah.
Where the woman find out.
Yeah.
So the woman now go do it to make you see the feelings or you stay.
Nah, man, but you know, say a whole heap of woman and listen and I say, yes, Mr. Never Wrong, talk up. And a damn foolness, she just, basically you are say, is when a man go burn a woman first. At that time, the woman choose to burn him back. At that you just are saying,
Yes, but what I'm saying, listen to me clearly. The woman knows, like you have a wife in her house.
Yeah.
And your wife here say, you the date somebody. The wife here, but the wife want shift himself to prove.
Nah, but Mr. Never Wrong, you have, Mr. Never Wrong. Hold on, may I tell you, you have wife and girlfriend out there who burn them man, and the man never did burn them.
Me not say no about that, Raga. Me not say no about that.
Oh, okay.
Me not say no about that. Me not say no wrong. Me say, the woman have prove say they do it. Then when he see they do it and he approve, then he got do it to make you see how you feel.
Well,
that's what I'm trying to show you.
Me not agree with you with that, but anyway, I understand what you're saying.
No, you see, I tell you, my company to talk to you. Yeah. You know if you agree with nothing I say.
Okay, that's cool.
That's cool. Agree.
No, that's why you're my big friend now, You're my big, hey, say, enough argument me about them, I defend, Yeah, I'm here defending now in all of them arguments.
Because, Raga, if you really check it out, when you live with your woman now, I don't mind that woman. If you have ambition, he not go do certain things,
Oh.
Me say,
no, you have,
no.
no. You have women who have ambition, bright, intelligent, and them will burn out your clothes same way. Oh.
Yeah, but he not no ambition. He's not going to do it. No.
All right, well,
as long as you have ambition, hold on. As long as you have ambition of class, he not going to do something like that.
But I'm telling you, say you have women who have ambition and have class, and them still give on. What you talk about?
Yeah, me not say yes. I don't say no. I don't say no. You will do it.
Okay, all right.
That means he have no mindset of his own.
Okay, all right.
He can do it.
All right, I'm going to take some other call here, Mr. Never Wrong.
All right.
Love and blessing, my brother. Love and blessing. I'm going to
give me your cell phone number, man. Call me and give me your cell phone number after the year. Call me and give me your cell phone number after the year.
Oh, okay. Amber, take Mr. Never Wrong. You see him number? All right, Amber, right down, Mr. Never Wrong. Say you want me give you a heel. Me give you a heel, man. Don't worry yourself, man.
Heal me, man.
I'm a reason.
Where's my number?
Yeah, I'm a general. Yeah. All right, then, cool. Amber, make sure you get him number. Yeah, I'm a general, that man. Me and him start out a war. We are big friend now. But you see, when he make that statement there, and him say, basically, I say, when man born woman at that time, woman go born man. Basically, woman now go just born man. So the one pretty punchy, she jump in a post. But he's right, though. He's right. Pretty punchy and wicked. What do you know about his right or whatever? You have a wally power man out, then I'm just burn you. A wally power man out, then I'm just burn out your nastiness. One pop. I don't even feel no way about it. I want to turn about, but I don't tell already in a rag I cannot get burned. Me and Mr. Never Wrong in ICM league. Woman can do anything them want to do. It can never be burning. It can never be burning. Me can't get burned. Okay? And that's the thing there. Give me the call, Amber. Hello.
Yeah.
Greetings.
Greetings.
Yeah, talk up. Yeah.
Yeah. Facebook.
What about Facebook?
Catch from Facebook.
Lord Jesus.
Yeah, from Facebook. Yeah, man.
Oh, explain. What go on there?
Well, he must see me. When I see me, and I see the other girl, and you know when you figure say you must say something will go on.
Yeah.
So me go on Facebook, and me see the two of them. The picture. You know. But them close up and
all you get for finding him use him name. Him never use him name. Him never use it.
No, you know using name. Him have a name.
But what you're interested to know is like how you find out. What you do for find out?
What me do for find out?
Yeah.
You just know because you see things that change.
No, but you can't generalize it for the purpose. No, hold on. You can't generalize it for the purpose of this show. We want like a specific thing where you see and figure out and thing. And even the Facebook thing, you can't just go up on Facebook. So you have to be, there's a way you have to kind of find out. Because if him have a different name, him did I use, right? On Facebook, that's how it go.
Mm-hmm.
How you figure out the different name? How you figure out the different name?
Because me know say him have a name when I use, man. Him have a name when I use, so you know me just sort out.
All right, well on there. So now we are getting at what is useful. So you basically say him have another little pet name or nickname where him use, right?
Mm-hmm.
Where people refer to him by, right? And that you say?
Mm-hmm. Exactly.
And then the damn idiot go use that, and then the damn idiot go use that on him other Facebook profile, no?
Mm-hmm.
So, yes. Say the so. I make you say it so. What? No, man. What? Make you say it so. Make you say it so. Make you say it so. What? Achoo.
Yeah, man, achoo.
No, but he might idiot. He might idiot. Yeah, he might idiot that him go flap him. I want to tell you something, you know. Let me tell you, it's a social media. It work with algorithm, right? It work with one thing named algorithm, which is basically a computer program. Now, social media, their goal is to get you on them platform and to keep you there, right? You follow me so far? Right? I saw them do them business. The longer you stay there, it better for them. One of the ways where them do now is them want you to see stuff where you like. Right? So them try to use this program, them call them bots, to figure out what you like. And them have different ways in which them expose you to what you like. One of the ways them do it is, you see, if from the source computer, we have a unique, what them call IP address. Anything where associate out of that computer there, them more than likely are going to have it a fishy around your central profile. I don't know if you understand what I'm saying, right? So it follows then that if you have a computer, right, and you have your Facebook profile, but then you're going to make one secret one next Facebook profile. But you really make it from the same computer with the same IP address, you know. The algorithm are going to pick up that, you know. The algorithm are going to pick up that, you know.
That's what they call the cookies, shit.
Well, cookies, it that have more to do with website, but it's similar, right? The point I make it, all right, let me talk about something right now. I'm not getting in trouble for it. Enough people are going for them, let me use up local code. Enough people are going for them papers. You understand what I mean, right? Them are going for them papers, right?
True.
And then me a balance them things certain way and whatever. And them don't know say, first of all, them don't know say them people have all kind of way to investigate. You could have your secret profile look more where all your name not depend it and thing. But just with the computer program and thing, and if you make the secret profile from the same computer, if you check the secret profile from the same computer and whatever this, them can track all of them, look at something there and whatever, you know. So him now, him very stupid now, him go use him name, well that is obvious. But even so, it wouldn't be hard for you to find and thing because somewhere in me feels that somewhere in the mix the algorithm already locking on that, you know, because I'm gonna be surprised if I'm from the same computer. Him not smart. And you who do that, no. If you have a secret. So hold on, the girl who did there with right here now and thing like that. You didn't know her? No. Oh. Okay.
Because, you know, because she's in the city and thing. And she's in there with her now, too.
You and him left and him got there with her?
No, with her.
Huh?
Yeah, in there with her, yeah.
If you don't mind me ask, you feel any way, say, him go left and there with her, or she take him from you feel any way about it? Let me ask you the truth. It did hurt you. It did hurt and painful when.
Of course.
Oh, okay.
Of course. Me feel it up to now sometime. But guess what now? Me love him still and thing, and then through me change up. Me kind of change up and stuff and thing, you know.
What you mean?
Me start go church and sitting.
Oh, you start go
church.
Right.
And things like that, you know. And then when we at church, and then the church when we go to, like a lot of time it run late and sitting like that.
Oh, okay.
So, you know.
So hold on. You think say you did relate? You did start relate to him different now because you're getting at the church. You think say you did start talk it truth. You think?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Did you experience situations where you and him have conversation where he must say, no, him want to do so and so and you don't want to do so? Were there some things where him did want to do and you don't want to do?
Yeah, man. Yes.
Oh, for real?
Exactly, too.
Oh.
Yeah, man. But guess what now?
Okay. So, you feel say that other woman that when go pick up, she do them something that too where him did want you to do?
She probably do.
Oh.
Well, guess what too? What happened? Him start running around different circles and change and going around club.
Oh.
Join one club and them sitting there.
Oh.
And she a part of them club there. You know, they call them satanic something, you know.
Satanic?
And thing.
One satanic club?
Yeah, then like they call it them do deal with skulls and all them.
Them deal with what? With what? What?
Like skulls, like
skulls,
like ring with skulls.
Ring with
skulls. Like
yes.
Skulls them.
Oh, okay.
Skulls, you know. And thing and if somebody dead, them go out and grieve and it's like them a party at the cemetery. crazy sitting like that, you know.
Oh, okay. Him did want you do any little thing like with sex where you never want to do. Him did want to do any little kind.
No, we do all of that. So that has nothing to do with it. We do a good thing.
Oh, so we never have no problem there, sir. We never have no problem there, sir.
No, sir.
Okay,
No,
so
sir.
basically you do everything when him did want you do with them in other part there, right?
Pretty much.
Okay.
Pretty much, yeah.
Okay.
Pretty much. But guess what now?
Eh.
We still talk to, you know.
Okay.
We still talk to. We are good friends, you know.
Nice.
But guess what now? I must Mother's Day.
Eh.
In call me, right? Wish me happy Mother's Day.
Right.
And she made it out and made it sound a little nice.
Yeah.
So you must figure something it out to somebody. So by the time we go home and she call me up, you know.
Yeah.
And we did a chat and sit like that. I made it nice, you know. I probably must have sound sexy or something.
Oh, you sound
So I
sexy
said,
that
"Boy,
night
you know."
there. I want.
So you know, why me miss? You know, me miss you know. Why no, you're sexy up and ting. So take some picture number one. See some picture of you, you know.
Yeah, I'm asking for
And
some
sitting,
picture.
right?
Nice. I want yeah.
Yeah, man. So me never do it right away.
Right,
You know?
right.
I wait for a couple months and me think about it and things like that.
Eh.
And boy, one day me just figure out and me just start take some picture, put on some sexy negligee and thing. You know me,
you know. What you say you just put on some sexy thing and take up some picture with your phone, no?
Rasta, you what?
Yeah.
Take some sexy,
Yeah.
You know? And thing, I me start licking, chewing with pictures.
You start what?
Me start chewing with pictures.
You
know
start
what I mean?
sending a picture upon him,
Yeah,
some good picture, make him see when I miss and thing is sexy. And you know, say, I listen to you now. I mean, no, say them picture that you make sure, say, him see the thing cover up, but it just fat and buff up and pretty and make him miss them thing there, no?
Of course, and then me I'll send one too. Naughty.
You say, wait, stop, man. Hold on, you said one naughty one, no?
One naughty one. Buff out everything.
Buff out hold on there. Tambourine! Hold on. You said him one naughty one when in a buff and you just show him the whole light, no?
Me a Rasta, me a tell you.
Yes, man. Act up him head, man.
Say, when me call it, me say, yeah, no, boy, you drive me crazy all night. He have to all a drink. Drink and something that me say.
Make boy drop for the liquor if can get rid of some of my press.
So, hear me up. Me say what? You in the beat yourself last night? Yeah, me not. You know it.
What you say? When I love how you use up a code. What you say? When him see the good and thing, the naughty picture where you give him, where you just show him the whole of the buff and you just give him the. Hold on. Tell me something. Where the one where you see him and thing, him that say everything though. Right? So
everything.
The whole of your hallelujah. And what?
I'm gonna do the work. I'm gonna do the work.
You do what?
Man, do the work.
You did not do the works? A lie you tell. Stop telling me lie. Hold on. It's a video you give me the picture.
A video.
Oh my God. You're such a bad girl. Girl. If you were in front of me right now, I would put your. Hold on, man.
Milk.
Hold on. So when you say you do the works, what?
A milk a floor.
All right. No, all right. Stop right there, sir. All right. Nobody say no more. No explain no more, whatever. So you say, when him see that video there now, what you say, him did have to beat himself. Code. Him say him have to beat himself. Listen to me now, man.
He have to beat himself. He might beat himself.
Then one on. Him
Yeah,
never
tell you.
him never draw back for you. Him never draw back for you.
Hey, y'all come check me out, but me never come. And then what happened was...
Hold on. No, you can't go. Hold on, man. Hold on. A Raga you talk to. You talk to Ragashanti, all right? Listen to me now. I mean, when you pinch me and tell me truth, all right? Listen, calm down. Well, when him come, you never run it back on him. You never run it back on him one time and mash up him in.
No, we never get the chance to do that.
Never get the chance to do that.
Never do that. We just drive. No, sir. May keep you in suspense.
Oh, you just want mad him.
They had to the battle the street. Listen, they had to the battle the street at the Victory.
Yeah, so you just want mad him for him left you for that woman there and things. So you just want mad.
Eventually.
Eventually what?
Mm-hmm. May I wait for when the winter come.
When the winter come, what more you
when
mean?
It cool.
What you gonna do?
When it cool.
Yeah. What you do?
May go find with some other picture.
You gonna find with some other picture? And video. You mean when time cool and the wind and the heart of the winter, you gonna send on some more picture and video upon him?
Yeah, man.
And then, I mean, what you want him come over, you gonna run it upon him them time?
Oh, Lord.
Eh?
You gonna kill him with it.
You gonna, so you gonna run it upon him that time, they don't. You gonna mad him that time, they don't.
Mega kill him.
Murder that when you gonna, murder that because you know him gonna come over, you know, because you know him want it back in, man.
A lot of bubble.
Because you're working with the picture and the video, them. Eh? A lot of what?
Yeah, they're right. Yeah, man.
Yeah. No, be careful, you know, because it look like you may take him back from all that woman there, you know. But I don't know if you want him right. You know what? You people just want to run.
No. I don't want him.
You don't want him?
No, I don't want him.
But you just take a one run and find him. You take a one run and find him, but you're not there back with him, you know?
Yeah, but I grind him, yes.
You don't grind Tambourine! Well, you say you don't grind him, don't it? Put a good grind on him, don't grind him and man.
I mean, grind when he go back, he can't do nothing.
Can't be normal. Because it sound to me like, you know. Hold on. It sound to me like when you grind him, you gotta make sure say you prepare and just give him the wickedest grind ever. You know, mash up him head, you know.
When I tell you something, I gotta drink up my mash and every damn thing. And a lot of sitting there go on.
When you say you're gonna drink up your Irish mash and
nephew.
You're gonna drink up your Irish mash and look around.
Right, nephew.
Yeah. And a whole heap of something that go on down. A whole heap of something that go on. A whole heap of sitting that go on. Papa Jesus, listen to me now. Listen, me hear the mischief in your voice.
From the tub to the floor to the counter everywhere.
Murder!
Yeah, we have to do it. Yeah, man. We are going to turn it up. We are going to turn it up.
What you say from the bathtub to the floor to the pan bed, pan floor, pan what? Everywhere you're going to rinse it out. You're going to carry him through the you're going to get the whole light. Through the whole house you're going to give me, no?
Through the whole house.
Backside, you know. Poor thing, him don't even know the stand where he's going to run up in there. When you're done with him, you're going to mash up him head, you know?
Me go say, Papi, go ahead, I feel it, you know. Go on.
Take it, whole light. Take it, whole light, a year one. A year one. Take it, a year one.
Take it. Yeah, man. Take it. Jam it.
All right. No, well, here we are going to do. You see, after you're done him, you have to go give me back a call and tell me what you done him. Here.
I mean, definitely. Yeah, man. I gotta tell you.
Hold on. Somebody asked me, like, you know, if you don't mind, like, how old are you? Somebody asked and thing, you know? Eh? Somebody asked, like, how old are you? You know, but, you know, it's your choice if you want to answer.
I'm 62.
You're 60.
I'm still hot.
Well, you're 62?
Mm-hmm.
You're 62?
Mm-hmm.
And you're still hot?
I'm still hot.
Jesus have mercy. And you're 62 and you're planning for mad him with some good work so in the winter.
My bumper rolls.
What your bumper rolls? What you have a nice round bottom down. Your shape good and all these things. Don't,
yeah, man.
Yeah, don't it?
Yeah, man.
Jesus have mercy.
People don't even know. Say, yeah, a lot of people don't know. Say, I say, well, yeah, I'm 62.
Look at that. Look at that.
Mm-hmm.
Look how you energetic and spicy. Nablet, she in her 40s and she pop down. Eh? Look how, listen to me, man. Me love it. You're 62 and you're full of energy and all these things and whatever, and you still love the little juki.
Full of energy.
Yeah, and you still love
still
the
flour.
And you milk still a flour. Auntie.
Still a flour.
No, when you color that the boy, when you color him, dog name him supper. Dog name him supper when you hold him. Dog name him supper when you hold him. Yeah? Dog name him supper when you hold him, because you're going to murder that.
I mean, I tell you.
Listen.
I going to squeeze it tight, you know.
Yeah.
You squeeze the head, man.
All right, no. Not giving them more details here. Not giving them more details for the real. God. All right. Now, man, you're going to deal with it. So, yeah, make sure you squeeze it here. All right. But listen, man.
Yeah,
and after you deal with him case, if you call about next, I make you know, yeah? All right?
True.
All right. Take care of yourself, yeah?
Yeah, man.
All right. Oh, God. Yo, me like her. Yo, no phone, no 40. I can't buy them. I'm done with them something then now. I'm old man now. I'm this and that now. Whatever. You hear that? 62. And she got discipline a boy. I make him understand himself. When she done with that, man, a confusion I go take him. Let me see if we have a next call. Hello? I know, look like that. The number from, the number is 88854. You know, so we should have get a radio name. 88. No, we don't want to call her, nothing to do with her age. Milk, she said Milk still, we're going to call her Milky. Oh, my God. Yo, no, it's times like these. I'm like, yeah, I enjoy my work, you know. I like my job, you know what I'm saying? It's fun. No, we're going to call her Milky. Yeah, Milky, we're going to call her. Yeah. Okay, call her. Hello. Hello.
Raga.
Yes, greetings.
Raga.
Yeah, what?
Greetings. Boy, you're greatest, you know. Boy, I miss you. I miss you all of them time. Where you there? Come here to say, if you're the power, you don't sound wicked, you know, brother. Yo, you're the greatest, brother. You're the greatest, brother.
Yo, me know say you just a dead with laugh. Where you
Yo, I didn't really like talking.
Where you call from?
I didn't really like talking.
Eh?
Bronx, I call from when I dropped that trailer. Bronx, when I dropped that trailer.
Bronx in the tractor trailer.
Me laugh to me.
I beer laugh in the rinse a while ago. I murder, no?
Yo, I'm murder, man. Yo, Dan, man, God bless, man.
Yeah, man, respect for the endorsement, that thing. Man,
all right.
Safety on the road too, you know, here. Yeah, one bigger part of the truckers, them, you know, who left out IrieJam radio and all these things, and they don't know. That's why they them know, so the Bridge 99 FM did it to one thing and sitting, you know, because, you know, I want to look a company out on the road and all them things. Oh, and people do remember, you know, when me yard, they know my new online home is over Ragashanti TV on YouTube. Ragashanti TV on YouTube. I be hearing them vibes there over there, right? Hundreds of hours hundreds of hours of mix-up entertainment. Ragashanti TV. Me want to go over there right now and just subscribe to the channel. It's free. Subscribe to the channel. It's free. Ragashanti TV on YouTube. Go over there now and subscribe to the channel. Go over there now and subscribe to the channel. All right? Ragashanti TV on YouTube. And every day we have put up classic shows, Ragashanti Live from the Jamaica years. And we have put up a new one. And do remember, tomorrow night, 8 o'clock, as is the case with every Saturday over there, is a thing called Free Up, the realest Jamaican talk show. 8 o'clock on Ragashanti TV channel, right? Ragashanti TV over YouTube. Someone want to go over there now and just subscribe. It's free. Subscribe, it's free. And do remember, the Bridge 99 FM, they're on all social media. Some of us want to die them lucky thing. We talk about Facebook, we talk about YouTube, we talk about the whole works. The Bridge 99 FM, brand new station. Well, it's not brand new anymore. It's been for several months now. A good, 6 months now we are going on. And thing. So we just want, if you are listening up here, just make sure you tell people at Jamaica. If you're there at Jamaica, listen, spread the word down there and thing. And lock in on the thing. And again, remember, tomorrow, Free Up, 8 o'clock. Free Up! The realest Jamaican talk show over on my Ragashanti TV channel on YouTube. So go over there now and subscribe. We're going to take a little break. We'll be right back soon forward.
IrieJam bless, IrieJam radio, set standard. Tell them we bless, tell them we bless, tell them we bless. Set standard.
Ragashanti Live. Ragashanti Live. Ragashanti Live. Up in the juggling Ragashanti Live. You don't know, say we have about 20-something minutes up to the midnight hour when I make my exit from here. And again, just want to remind you that I do this Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays on the Bridge 99 FM in Jamaica from 9 p.m. Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays from 9 p.m. On Fridays, the show is simulcast right here in the New York City metropolitan area, as it is now, as is the case right now. And that's why you're hearing it out there on 93.5 in New York. Big up on yourself, people, to the phone line. We're going to think or whatever. Could take a caller. Hello. Hello.
Yes, like the driver says, the energy level is really, really high.
Yes, man. Then that is what I do. That is my thing. See? So I go on.
Yeah, just that the lady was using some funny words though.
So some what?
She was using some funny words.
What kind of words? What do you mean funny? Like what?
Like the G word.
Okay, well when G, I don't which all right, well if you're being cautious with it, that means it should not be said. So that is all right. No man, she did do her thing, man, and me like her, she vibes and thing, all right?
Yeah, but you generate a whole lot of energy on the air, man.
No, man, we give thanks. That's my thing. I enjoy doing it.
All I can say is keep it up.
Blessings, my brother. Thank you so much for the endorsement, all right?
Good, all right.
Yeah, man, protection. Yo, people who have look at time left in us, someone want to call in and just tell you a time like, when you get bun, or you catch the person, or you did get catch a bun, or you, or what are the ways right for get bun and don't get catch and whatever. And do remember, if you tell me how to catch somebody whenever I get bun or you have some little way to do it or whatever, you're automatically telling us something that you shouldn't do when you don't want to get catch giving bun or whatever. And it has always been an interesting topic. And again, I don't want anybody to believe that I'm this bad guy. I'm really a darling little munchkin. Yeah, I have my halo. I have a halo over my head, and if you cannot see it, because you see I bite you. But I have a halo over my head. But what's the logic here? Theoretically, we could live in a world where there's no cheating. Theoretically. Practically, that will never happen. It will never, ever, ever happen. Right? Like get rid of bunning. No. So, if you're in a relationship where you have your partner is just this wonderful, incredible person, don't bun them. If you don't have to do it, don't do it. Right? Don't do it. But if for whatever reason you have to do it, Do it with respect. I know that sounds oxymoronic, contradictory. Born with respect. And, you know, some people are saying, no, but born by definition is disrespectful. No, when you live life, you know, life is lived in the gray areas. We don't have all the answers to all the problems that we have, and life can be so complicated and complex sometimes. We find ourselves in situations that we'd rather not be in. And none of us is perfect, and we all make mistakes. And sometimes things just evolve away where you find yourself in a position where you're like, I can't believe I'm... So the idea is if you have to do it with discretion as much as possible, right? Born with respect, right? And manage your thing. You run your thing. Make sure you govern your thing, right? Now make nobody who you're born with come dictate to you and tell you what you have to do and ask them something, all right? All right, so I could touch our next little thing right here now. When you're born, and you're the borner man or the borner woman, and this is I'm going to say this is especially for women, but I am wrong because a lot of the things where me I hear lately, man. You can't afford to catch feelings. If you're the borner man or borner woman, you can't afford to catch feelings. And if you're going to catch feelings, know what you do. You know what you do. And there's so much more we can say right this, you know. I want to see some people are posting at the classroom. Give me a call here, Amber. Eh? Oh. 888-546-8742. 888-546-8742. 888-546-8742. Right? If you're the born man or the born woman, careful how you catch feelings. Hello.
Hello.
Greetings.
Greetings, sir.
Yeah.
I forgot to mention one thing. You were talking about the algorithms.
Yeah.
Well, a lot of people don't know. Maybe they have noticed, like, for instance, those men that they might want to buy lingerie or size, or let me see, what else? Something that the wife is obvious that it could be a cheating. And next thing, all of a sudden, in their phones, they're sending all these advertisements about lingerie.
Exactly.
Or that people don't know that the wife go look in your phone and say, how come all of a sudden they keep sending these pictures because you purchased or you was on these websites or the those sites where they try to matching up the couples.
Right.
That's another way they get busted.
Right, and what she's saying, people, is that unfortunately, we give thanks to Barack Obama who forced the social media companies to reveal this information and to ask us, to do that. But like Facebook, for example, Facebook listens to what you're saying, what you say. Like Facebook, when you're using Facebook, you authorize Facebook to record you when you're using your phone. Remember, you would on your phone with Verizon, but the Facebook app is listening to you. The Google app is listening to you. And it is parsing that information. It's called data mining. And it's parsing that information. And based on that, whatever you're talking about, it then sends advertisements to your phone based on what you've been talking about. And that is why one time I was around my phone talking to somebody about Fiji. That I've always wanted to have a vacation in Fiji. And lo and behold, I didn't touch my phone or anything, but there were ads that came up on my phone in Facebook for Fiji. So that is what she's saying, is that if somebody is savvy to these things, and say the person they're on your phone now, and I look by your phone and notice that there is a plethora of a particular type of ads coming up and things, they could have some sense of what you have been involved in based on what is showing on your phone. These are modern day type of sleuthing type of things, But you think you easy? What a way you mats out that thing? He call her.
I'm telling you the undercover, deep undercover one. Oh, by the way,
yeah.
Miss Milky sounds like she's an eagle eye.
Me, yeah. In that. Well, Milky says she go and squeeze it. That you fin know, yeah. Milky say, no Sahara desert round here. All right, no look a dry oatmeal round here. And here Milky say milk a flow. Milk a flow.
You guys were always the champion.
Yeah, what? So hold on. Oh, what you know about you have an eagle eye? Huh?
Excuse me. Let me tell you about a very undercover way to pick up that I picked up a bunny. And I bet you that a lot of people would have picked that up.
Tell me.
All right. Do you think, I'm going to ask you now, because you do a lot of concerts and stuff like that. Do you think in a big auditorium you could pick up your person that's with somebody, one of the person in the audience, sitting in the audience in one of the chairs, that they're bunning? That's the person that the person is bunning you with?
No, before you say it, let me, and I'm glad you asked this question, because I have always made the argument that I don't know what it is with women. I think women have some sort of amazing extraterrestrial ability to whatever. But this is something I have observed for years. A woman would see her man amongst 1,000 women. The 1,000 women we are the 1,000 women we are hang off him and it not bother them. There will be one other woman in that mix that he was involved with or whatever. And that woman probably don't even do nothing. But for some reason, women can speak out and say, you know, say, me not like she, me not the one in the red blouse, me not like her. I don't know what it is, but I don't like the one in the red. I don't know what it is, but women just have this. I have seen it happen over and over. And sometimes I say, no, man, it has to be that the person betrayed some sort of behavior, gave some indication. But I've seen it. So there is something going on there. On some level, that once a man has had some sort of exchange with a woman, it's like, and the woman who him there with, if she pay attention and she's functioning on that sensory level, it's almost like she can just pick it up and say something about that one them. I don't know. And lo and behold, I'm very often, it's the same one the man involved in, or the same one him a draft of it through. And I don't know how to explain it. But what were you saying though, in terms of the show? What did you say?
All right. He was on stage.
Yeah.
Singing.
Yeah.
And she wasn't even in the front.
Yeah.
I said she was in a blue dress. I never forget that night. In Brooklyn.
Yeah.
With the Winthrop, I think I forgot the name of the high school. She was in like the third row, like in the middle-ish. And I don't know if it's because the way she looked at him, remember this, about everything full. And I was behind. But
the way she look at him, but if he's a popular singer like you say and whatever, that means a woman look at him like that all the time. So what was particular about this woman?
My point.
Yeah.
I don't know, but I picked it up because all the way from Florida she had come from. And it's a Brooklyn behind him live.
Oh.
And I don't know if the way I don't think he really was, because you can't even tell who he's looking at. But I picked it up and I was 1,000% correct.
No, but you still didn't tell. You still didn't tell me like what made you zeroed in on her.
As I said, I don't know. Maybe because she was beautiful. I don't know. But it's just it's something.
Hold on. That is one of my. Hold on. No. Hold on. That is one of my hypotheses. So as a woman, I want you to, if you tell me if I'm onto something right here. Some people who pay attention, they know what type of person and partner like, right? They know, if the person has a type, And I think that women are more skilled at identifying. So, no, you see, she had the type of person that one there. She had the type of person who go for. She have that thing about her, that look about her, that style about her, whatever. Is that correct?
That's true, but guess what? I'm black.
Yeah.
I'm not light. I'm not dark. In between, and she's maybe a little light, and she's Indian.
Oh.
But it's maybe, I don't know how I saw her first in the beginning, but then, you know, you observe. You maybe, okay, say half an hour later, you know, it's maybe intensity. I don't know what it was. Remember, that he's on stage singing, but I picked it up right away. I picked it up, and oh, Lord. But the crazy thing is that me and him driving a one car, go to venue, and she come out. Now, you saw the man on this, that's what I'm telling you, say, me not get no born. Me say that. That I didn't realize, the people, whoever I was with, I don't think they were being faithful, and I go out. You can't go party and I get a bun when you talk about, you know, go to, me love to dance, go to party.
All right, before you, hold on. Maybe that's why I take one last call from somebody, but before you go, I need a Christmas present from you, right? No, I'm serious.
Go on.
I need a Christmas present from you, and I want you to give it to me now, and I'm going to tell you what it is, okay? Regarding this, listen to me carefully, regarding this singer that we have heard so much about from you, this Jamaican singer, that you're no longer with, by the way, you're no longer with. I'm just going to ask you to sing a song for my Christmas present. Sing a song. Just sing 2 lines out of a song.
Ooh, the way that you're accustomed to. Oh, yeah. You don't get...
Well, Anna, run it again. Sing. Give him a Christmas present again. Give him a Christmas present again. Well, Navlet, listen this, because Navlet know every song where every singer sing. All right, now, sing me Christmas present again. Thank you so much. Sing, you already sung it, so just sing it again. One more time. Here we go, one more time. Come on. One more time. Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Go on.
That's all I'm giving you. Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah. Is that a signature sound? Yeah. No, just sing.
Yes.
No, just.
You got it already.
No, hold on. No, just sing 2 lines. Me never say nothing to nobody, you know. Me want them to figure it out. So, but just sing 2.
No, but everybody going to get it. Everybody go and get it.
No, just sing 2 lines out of a signature song, you know, for my Christmas present. This is Ragashanti Christmas present. And I'm thanking you in advance. Just sing 2 lines out of a
Muriel.
Clip empty. Gunshot. Salute. All right. Don't say nothing. Muriel, it lock right there, sir. It lock right there, sir. You think, listen, darling, thank you so much. No, thank you. No. Not for them young people. Them not going to know about Muriel. You know that, too. Them not going to know about that.
But I think more our age listen to these programs because young people are for them phone.
Well, no, man, I have a lot of young listeners. Most of my listeners, 30s, 40s, 50s, yeah. But quite a few young people who listen to me, you know. But them not really know.
By the way,
but people like Paulette.
I'm never wrong.
Yeah. Yeah, Mr.
Yeah,
Never.
Mr. Never wrong, that's wrong. And by the way, let me just say to him, maybe in woman in Jamaica, the sort out never did right. That's why she did find another man. They can go talk about me.
Oh, all right. No worry. Oh, them I beg me take our next call because I have 5 minutes to go. But I love you. You're a good sport. You're so much fun. All right. And thank you so much for my Christmas present. Much appreciated. All right. Be good now. All right then. Sweet. All right. Give me that next caller, Amber, before me leave. Hello.
Hello.
Yeah.
Professor. I tell you tonight.
Yeah.
Tonight.
Yeah.
I am not to never forget.
Why?
You shall never forget tonight.
Why?
Tonight, I should have tomorrow night.
Because that the lady that turn up the east, man.
Oh, Milky?
Yeah, but a woman that must sing. You know, so you have a woman that must sing for you.
No, it's
tonight is a beautiful night.
All right, well, Putus, thank you for that endorsement and thing. And, you know, we're going to make that we're going to make that be the final statement for the night. All right? It sounds to me like you enjoyed the show immensely tonight, right? Am I correct in my assertion? Okay, wonderful.
Full enjoy.
What?
Full enjoy.
Very good, my brother. Very good. I'm glad you enjoyed.
I'm going to make sure I lock the team.
All right.
Personal.
Okay, so you said this is going to be a memorable and unforgettable night for you, I think. Big up yourself, Putus.
Yeah, tell you, man.
All right,
all
my brother. Yeah, man. Protection.
Yeah. All right, sir.
Yo, people, do remember tomorrow, 8 o'clock is all about a thing named Free Up, the realest Jamaican talk show over upon Ragashanti TV with yours truly. That would be me, Mr. Washbelly, Ragashanti. And you know, me not going to eat nothing late in the night, but I try to cut out the late eating. But, oh, by the way, TamFam don't start, because I know you can get disgusting. Anyway, so I say, I cut out the late eating and thing. But I'm hungry so much and whatever right now. You have one jerk chicken place and whatever. I'm going to lock it right now. Because I tell you some hungry. I dab me up right now. So I'm going to slap with some jerk chicken. But people, do remember tomorrow night. All right, Ragashanti TV over YouTube. Go over there now and subscribe to my channel. And remember, there are hundreds of hours of Mixup entertainment over there for you to enjoy, laugh and enjoy. A big up all of the truckers them and the people them who work in nursing homes and all these things and whatever. Only just listen to these things non-stop over Ragashanti TV and thing. I saw the thing said. Do remember that I'm continually putting up new shows and past shows. I have decades of shows from Jamaica that I have to edit up and put up. So I'll be putting up shows for a long time to come. So there'll be new content for a long time to come. And of course, I'm constantly making new content. All right? So go to Ragashanti TV and subscribe to my channel and enjoy the Mixup entertainment over there. And also remember Jamaica, a Bridge 99 FM, the thing there. The Bridge 99 FM, the thing there. Spread the word on a Jamaican thing. I think it is unacceptable that up to this day, there are a lot of people that say, "Me just find your ragga, and thing, you know, down at Jamaica." So spread the word, people. The Bridge 99 FM. And again, tomorrow night, 8 o'clock, we're going to go on with a bag of something. Pan Ragashanti TV with Free Up and things. So just make sure it's on the rolling and come enjoy yourself. And remember that when we are the Free Up, we have more liberties over there because we're not constrained with some of the things that prohibits us here when we're doing radio and IrieJam radio or the Bridge 99 FM. We have more freedom for talk up is something them over there. So make sure it's on the lock in tomorrow night, 8 o'clock, right? Free Up. On Ragashanti TV over YouTube. So go over there and subscribe right now. It's free to subscribe. People, take care of yourselves. Be good. I'll see you tomorrow night. All right? And we're going to have fun tomorrow night, as we'll always be having fun whenever me come on, because that is what I do. You all be careful now. Take care. Respect.